Hi guys, how are you all?
So
Good. Ma, what are you doing in school? Ma, have they covered dependent, independent, and mutually exclusive events? Ma?
we haven't done the mutually that.
Exclusive. Uh-huh.
Right now, we're doing conditional probability, like and or like given if from tables.
From tables, okay. From tables, huh? Okay.
I wasn't able to do the extra assignment on probability, but I did like the regular homework.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. But the regular homework was easy?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Hey, how are you doing the UIL?
Which UIL?
It's done now for the
Yeah,
year?
academic UIL is done in March.
Oh, wow. You're in which grade, Amma, Shruta?
8th grade.
Oh, eighth, okay. Okay. Sahana, how did you do your test, Ma? I have not asked your mom. How did you do?
Test is actually this week. It wasn't last week, it's this week. So I haven't done it yet.
The first one you did, right, with a good score.
Yeah.
So you're happy about it right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. The second one is coming up, you're saying?
Yeah, it's this week.
So that is on what?
I think Wednesday.
Illima, what is the topic?
It's the same as last one, and then it's also sphere, surface area, volume, and stuff of spheres, and rotational figures, I think, and composite figures. Should I just check?
Oh, so it's on 3D solids, huh?
Yeah, it's still 3D solids. It's
But
just the unit test.
did you complete all the parts that we have done in school, no?
I didn't finish that yet.
But you'll do that before your exam, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, we'll move on. Vibha, how is it going for you?
Uh, my school just got over like last week, so we have summer break right now.
Oh, wow. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So
So
till then, uh-huh.
it's area, regular polygon, surface area, volume of pyramids, prisms, cones, cylinders, rotating figures, spheres, and dimensional change.
You will do the part one and part two and then go, right? Fully?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that should cover everything, but there's not much. Okay. So let's move on to whatever the last part of probability we have. One second. But you know what? Okay. It's in the classroom itself. Let me see. But we started dependent probability last week, right, guys? We started dependent probability last week. So let's see. Let's work out some problem and see. And based on that, we'll move on. Sundays. Okay, no, extra assignment. Okay, you didn't do, which is still okay. Okay. Part 4 and 5. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's try to revise a couple of things in conditional probability. If in case we are not able to do, then I'll do. How about this? Do you think you'll be able to do this one? Do you see the problem on the board? Mr. Debruin's class of 16 students sits at 4 different tables with 4 students at each table. Mrs. Debruin chose tables A and B to go to the lab while those students at C and D remain seated. If Carly has to go to the lab, then what is the probability that she sits at table A? This is conditional probability, ma'am. Want me to? Okay, let me go over a little bit. And there are two independent events, right? P of A and B. A and B are independent events. They're not dependent on each other. Means P of A times P of B. Right? A and B are dependent. Then the outcome of one is dependent on the other. It's like that, right? Now P of A and B will be P of A first, okay, but B is dependent on A, right? So probability of B given A has already occurred, or this is the term called conditional probability. What is conditional probability? It is asking about the probability of event B assuming A has occurred. So conditional probability of B given A has occurred is defined as P of A and B divided by P of A. This is the formula that we arrive based on this. Any questions on this? So here you have to first, meaning in things like this, I prefer ironing out which is event A, which is event B. See, she has to go to the lab, they're asking. She has to go to the lab. So, given she has to go to the lab, they're asking what is the probability she sits at table A. So, basically, A is the event of sitting in table A. B is going to the lab. This is how I would iron out the two. Now we have to find out the probability of sitting at table A given she goes to the lab. Does that make sense? Okay. Let's see, guys. There is more to it. It's not that easy. So go ahead and do that. I really want to go over the book's probability. Unless we do the book's probability, you will not find your PSAT geometry easy. So let's see that. Let's see, guys. Yeah, we'll do some extra problems from the book today. I feel like we have time, so let's see. Did you get it, guys? This is conditional probability, right? Let me go to... Yeah, I'll give you more problems on geometric probability too. Let's see. Finished? Oh, that's nice, ma'am. Did you follow the same thing or something else, Ashrita? There are multiple ways of doing the same thing.
I did the same thing.
Okay, others, can I get your answers? And let me bring this up. Let me bring this up. How about this? Ashita, you can go ahead and do this one, okay?
Okay.
Please do in order, guys. The problems, let's see.
By the way, Miss Priya, my parents got the email for the Algebra 2 CB result. I got 95 semester A and the 96 semester B.
Oh, nice. That's good, right?
Yeah.
But did you leave any questions unanswered? Meaning that 95 is irking me, because you were good, And where did you miss the 5? You see what I mean?
Yeah, because it was two parts. So for the first part, I got 41. I got 41 out of 43. So that became a 95.
Oh, nine. Oh, I see, I see. 41 became. Oh, I see, I see, I see. But there were two questions that you have not answered, right? Meaning that you have gotten wrong, right? Do you remember which area it was?
They don't show us what questions we got wrong. They just give us our score after we submit, and it's like answers are hidden.
No, no. Meaning, were you confident of all questions that you attended? Huh?
Yeah, for the first part, yes. For the 41,
Oh,
that one,
wow. Okay,
confident.
okay. So might have been a silly. Second one, what was the part that you were a little doubtful?
Second one, like it was again rational word problems. I like every time I kept solving, I got a different answer at the starting, but then later I got the same answer again and again. So at the start, I was kind of doubtful if I was doing it right or wrong.
Ah, okay. And what part of Russian, meaning was it work time or distance
Yeah.
rate? Which work time? Okay, good to know. Go ahead, ma. Srishti, good morning. Dhruv, good morning. I did not say. Go ahead. Did you finish this?
Good morning.
Hey, Ashrita, I really want. We are doing conditional probability. Okay, we are doing the current problem on the board, Dhruv.
Yeah, I know.
You can do it. You can do and let me know the answer.
Yeah,
If
I
yeah,
have
if
it.
in case it's hard, let me know. I want to make sure it's easy on you guys. Let's see this one. Throwing a dartboard. You can do, Ashrita, this one. And Ashrita, just for general knowledge, was there any topic that we have never ever covered in Algebra 2?
There was this one question, I don't remember what, it was like on some type of like numbers.
Some type of numbers, meaning
I don't remember the question exactly, but it was like process of elimination, so it like helped out.
true, ma, but what type of numbers means integers, rational numbers like that?
I'm not sure. I'll try to see if I can like remember it, and I'll
Sure,
like.
sure. Because if there's a topic, then that's a little bit of a concern. I want to know what is the topic that you came across the problem, but it was we have never dealt with it. Yeah, you throw it. Yeah, go. You can go ahead by yourself, guys, on these two. Kripa, your class starts at 1 hour later, right, ma? Kripa. Kripa. Second one, you can answer in terms of pi. Srishti, if you're stuck, you have to let me know.
What?
If you're stuck, you have to let me know. What are you doing in school, Srishti?
We're doing, I think wait, let me just check really quick because I think we just finished, oh yeah, we're doing volume right now, like 3D volume and like surface area.
You get it? You can answer in terms of pi. Okay, I'm not getting. Okay, I got 3 answers. Nice. Oh, Sahana, nice, ma. Dhruv, nice. But can you tell me the probability? What you arrived at? Did you arrive at some probability?
Wait, which question do you want in terms of pi?
Second one, ma. First one will not be in terms of pi.
Yeah.
Done, guys? Would you like to move on, ma? Yeah, Srishti, the first one is right, but the second one seems a little daunting to me. The answer. Let's see. Oh, yeah. You know what, Srishti? The denominator is as well 324, right? 324 minus 81 pi divide by 324, right?
Oh,
You got it?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you got it, I am fine. Let's move
Okay,
on.
yeah.
Most likely to get a zero is correct. Okay. Yeah, most likely to get a zero is correct. Okay. Any questions here? We'll move on and you can catch up with the next one, Mitransh. Shall we move on? Okay. Okay. So we'll do a little more of conditional probability from the book. Let's see. And then I want to do mutually exclusive events today. Okay. Let's see. Independent events. Independent events, you should be good. Compare independent events. This is a good one. Let's see. How about this? You have to find what it is, okay, and then do. At a school, 60% of the students buy a school lunch. 10% of students buy lunch and dessert. What is the probability that a student who buys lunch is given, also buys dessert? So A should be the event of what? B should be the event of what? You can answer as a decimal. Vibha, that seems incorrect, ma.
Should we answer it in a percentage or should we answer it
Percentage or decimal is okay, ma. Vibha, how did you get that, ma?
Wait, I think I did something wrong.
No, we will do it together. See, the event A is what is the probability of a student who buys lunch? Buys lunch is given. B buys dessert, right? Probability of B given A is the problem, right? So P of A and B divided by P of A, given A has occurred, right? So what is A and B? 10% of the students who buy lunch and dessert. So A and B happening is only 10%. P of A is buy a school lunch, 0.6. So what did, oh my gosh, P of A and B buy lunch and dessert. Vibha, did you interchange this, Vibha? Did you interchange the numerator?
I think so. Yeah.
Looks like you interchange the numerator and denominator, right?
Yeah.
So answer is 1 by 6, right? Or 0.167 or 16.7 percentage.
Yeah, I put the 0.6 on top.
Okay. Let's move. Mitransh, are you following Mitransh?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see now. I really want to do. Okay. Okay. See, have you heard of a two-way table? Two-way table is a frequency table that displays data that belong to two different categories, right? One category is represented by rows and the other by columns. I'll show you a two-way table. This is a two-way table. Have you seen this two-way table here? See, class and attendance. Freshmen, how many freshmen are attending is 25. How many sophomore are attending is 80. How many sophomore not attending is 32. Freshmen not attending is 44. So each number in every cell is called a joint frequency. Why it is called a joint frequency? That this talks about the intersection of freshmen and attending. So that's why it's called a joint frequency. You see, frequency of freshmen intersect attending, that is 25. Frequency of freshmen not attending is 44. That is why these are called joint frequency. Okay. Now if I sum these and write it out like, hey, this is 69, this is 89, 112, this is 105, this is 76. If I write it like this, right, the one that I write at the end, right, the sum of all the freshmen, the sum of all the sophomore, the sum of all attending, non-attending, these are called marginal frequency. The entire thing is a two-way table, okay. Now, the ones you have inside, right, these are joint frequencies. The one at the end, right, the sums of all, they're called, just the name you need to know, they're called marginal frequencies. Make sense, guys? Now, let's see. How many people were surveyed here together in total? When you think about the total people who were surveyed, right, this is the total, right? Now here you total everything, 6, 9, 10, 11, 6, 7, 8, 181, no? Yeah, 181. So 181 is the total number of people who were surveyed. Any questions here? Did I make a mistake in the sum? I don't know. Yeah. So 181 is the total number of people who were surveyed. Okay. So it's like that. The joint frequencies are the numbers that are in each cell. Marginal frequencies are the sums of each column in rows. Makes sense? Any questions here? Any questions? Okay. Now, I would like to tell you what are joint and marginal relative frequencies. Let me show you a table again. Is it the same table? No. I don't know, guys. Hold on. I want to use the same table. Let me see. 1 second. Okay. Let me erase this. I'll show you another example. I'll use the same table for explanation of joint relative frequency as well. Okay, let me erase this off. So we'll use the same table, that way you're not confused. Okay, so we'll get another table. This is a nice table to take into consideration. Okay, this is what we are going to use hereafter. Okay, so this is an example of the same joint frequency, marginal frequencies. Okay, so these are joint frequencies because they intersect a row and a column. These are marginal frequencies. This tells you the total number of kids surveyed or total number of people participating in the survey. Any questions here? Okay, now you need to understand. These are the things I want you to understand. We discussed joint frequency, marginal frequency, right? Let's see. Okay. Now, the ratio of a frequency that is not in the total row or the total column to the total number of values or observations is joint relative frequency. So, let's see. Okay. One second, guys. Let me take the same table. Okay, before going into those complex examples, let's finish one problem and then go. Okay, now I want to tell you what is joint relative frequency. We discussed these are joint frequency. This is marginal frequency. Now, you know what I want you to find? I want you to find out the joint relative frequency here. What is the joint relative frequency? So, to find out joint relative frequencies, right, you have to divide the frequency, divide each joint frequency by the total number of students in the survey. So, what is this joint relative frequency? Just the definitions you need to know. What is this joint relative frequency? As the name suggests, right, joint frequency, it has got to do something with the joint frequency. So what will I do, I will divide this by the total number of surveyed students. So see here, this then tells you this entire thing tells you joint relative frequency. Any questions still here? Any questions still here?
No.
Okay, can I move on?
Priya,
Mhm.
won't all the values be different? Like 42 divided by 220 could be different from 77 divided by 220.
What is it, ma?
The values could
42.
be different.
Yeah, values will be different, right? 42 by 220 is different from 77 by 220,
Yeah,
right?
then what is joint relative frequency then?
Joint relative frequency. This is the joint relative. These are all the entities: 42 by 220, 77 by 220, 64 by 220, 37 by 220 are all joint relative frequencies.
Okay, I get it.
You got it? Okay. Now, okay. Then tell me, what is marginal relative frequency?
It would be all the totals, like 106 divided by 220.
Exactly. If you sum this up here, sum this up. Those four are marginal relative frequency. Does that make sense? Marginal means go to the margin, add them up. Okay. Joint means each cell. But when you're considering joint relative frequency are the numbers, but joint relative, with respect to relative means with respect to the total number of students surveyed, then you have to divide by 220. Makes sense? That's how I remember. Okay, now these are extra things that you're just learning. Let's see. Let's see, I'll give you. Okay, now I really want you to try this one. Given as the joint relative frequencies are given. What is the probability randomly selected? Okay, this is a good one, ma, but I don't want to go to that complicated one right now. Okay, we want to do conditional relative frequency. Okay, I want to show you this. For the same numbers, right, I'm going to show you another table. This table, right, I'm rewriting it. I said we'll be using the same table, right? You see the same table here at the end. Okay, when you look at this, right, what is this called? Do you remember? What is this number called?
Joint relative
Yeah,
frequency.
these are joint relative frequencies. These are marginal relative frequencies, right? The sum of that. Now, there is something more, okay? Conditional relative frequencies. Okay, this one will be like, I'll give you one example first, okay, before explaining what is conditional relative frequency. Yeah. See, conditional relative frequency by definition is the ratio of the joint relative frequency to the marginal relative frequency. Okay, so what does that mean in this table? First of all, we'll see. So basically, conditional relative frequency of a junior and attending will be 0.191 by 0.482. Does it make sense? Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so this is conditional relative frequency. Why it is conditional means you are assuming one, meaning number of attending given that she is a junior, or given that she is a junior, number of attending. So this is based on a condition that one has occurred, one, what is the probability of the other. So for that we divide the joint relative frequency to the by the marginal relative frequency. Okay, now when we solve one problem it becomes very clear. Hold on. I want a general thing. Let's see this one. Let's do this one. This is a slightly complicated. Let's see. Okay. Now the questions are this. We'll do one by one. Think about it first. Okay. It takes time. First, let's understand the question. Let's see this. A satellite TV provider surveys customers in 3 cities. The survey asks whether they would recommend the TV provider to a friend. The results given as joint relative frequencies are shown in the two-way table. So, Glendale, whoever responded yes, whoever responded no. Santa Monica, whoever responded yes, whoever responded no. Long Beach, whoever responded yes, whoever responded no. So everything is given here. Okay, meaning basically they are given as relative frequencies. Okay, what is the probability that a randomly selected customer who is located in Glendale will recommend the provider? What do you think? How to find this? Saying yes is recommending the provider, given that they are in Glendale. So, you tell me, guys. So, basically, we are trying to find out the conditional relative frequency. What is the probability that a randomly selected customer who is in Glendale, given that he is in Glendale, will recommend the provider? This is probability of he being in Glendale and recommending the provider. This is what they are asking. Okay. So what do we do here? What is the probability that a randomly selected customer who is located in Glendale, so given that he is from Glendale, but he has to recommend the provider. So they are asking for probability of Glendale and yes, given that Glendale has occurred. So how do we do this? So this is probability of Glendale and S. Okay. Now Glendale has occurred means what? 0.34. Makes sense, guys? Okay, so this is conditional relative frequency. Conditional relative frequency is they are asking for some probability given something has occurred. Now, do you want to try the second one or do you want me to show you? What is the probability that a randomly selected customer who will not recommend the provider? So, who will not recommend the provider is what? Saying no. Okay. Is located in Long Beach. Is located in Long Beach. So, given that they are in Long Beach, first of all, total the frequency, relative frequency that is in Long Beach, that is what is given. But they are asking for the probability. They are asking for the probability that they are given that they are in Long Beach. What is the probability that they will not recommend? You try, guys. You try and get me the answer. You get it, guys? Are you doing two or do you want me to do two? B and C is what I'm trying to get it from you, but if you don't know, just let me know. I'll do it for you.
I sent my answer for B.
Yes, ma. I saw, ma. Give me a minute. I think C I will solve, I feel. Why did you get that? Okay, Ashrita, tell me how did you... Srishti, that is right, ma. Ashrita, how did you get? Ashrita, Dhruv,
I'm
Sahana.
answering 1 second.
Yeah. Tell me, Ashrita, how did you get it? What is the probability that a randomly selected customer will not recommend the provider? So, probability of...
I did a probability of not and Long Beach.
B is Long Beach, right?
Yeah, and then A is Long Beach and no.
Yeah, Long Beach, I know. That's what even I did, but...
So Long Beach
here...
and no is 0.04.
One minute, ma. 1 minute. And A and B, and then you have P of B, right? So P of A and B. Long Beach and no is what? Let's see. Long Beach and no. Right?
Yeah. Wait, I think I took the wrong number. That's fine.
Yeah, probability of Long Beach, then you should add these two, right?
Yeah, I think I did probability of A and B over probability of A instead.
Oh, okay. Yeah. See, it is very confusing, but the thing is, some clarity. Clarity comes only when you write what is A and B and put the formula down.
Okay.
Dhruv, you got it,
I have a
Dhruv?
question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
How do you know whether if like For B, how do you know if it's Long Beach or if it's will not recommend the provider?
B only takes into account that he is from Long Beach. Vibha,
Okay.
does it, you see, B does not take into account the yes or no. It just takes into account the fact that the person is from Long Beach.
Okay. Okay.
Am I making here?
Yeah.
That's why this is Long Beach. This is Long Beach and no. Intersection of Long Beach and no. Makes sense, huh?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
That is now what is the answer here? The 0.333, I think. Srishti was right. So now after that, yeah, this one is a little hard. Determine whether recommending the provider to a friend. Recommending the provider to a friend. Okay. Okay. What is the probability of recommending it to a friend? One second, guys. Determine whether recommending the provider to a friend and living in Long Beach. Wow. One second, guys. Determine whether recommending the provider to a friend and living in Long Beach.
Miss Priya,
Oh wow. Yes, guys.
for them to be independent, they both have to be equal to each other, right? So like
Correct. Good job, Dhruv. Go ahead.
living in Long Beach has to be 0.32 because yeah. So that means recommending provider to a friend should if it should be independent, then it should be equal to 0.32. But it isn't because
Can you come again? Now, what are the two things you're assuming?
uh
Recommending to a friend and living in Long Beach. Okay.
I'm not saying it is, but if it is and if it is independent, then recommending the provider to a friend should be 0.32. If it is independent. I'm just assuming. I'm not saying it's right.
Lele, can you repeat what you said?
I'm saying living in Long Beach and recommending a provider to a friend should be equal if it's independent.
Okay.
Right?
So Long Beach is what?
0.32.
Long Beach is not 0.32.
Living in Long Beach is yes, correct?
The way you wait, Amma, you are interpreting 0.32 is Long Beach and yes, right? That is the intersection you are
Yeah.
thinking about, right?
Yeah.
Recommending a provider to a friend. Recommending the provider to, recommending the provider to a friend is itself saying yes. Okay, recommending, okay, to a friend and living in Long Beach.
Yeah, it should be independent if the probability of A and B is equal to probability of A times probability of B, right?
Correct. That's a good, yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that and see. Okay, A and B will be equal to probability of A times probability of B, right? So A is recommending the product to a friend. B is, this is how you took, right?
Yeah, that's how I did it.
Recommending to a friend, what did you take?
I took
Provider. Recommending to a provider and living in language. Okay, this one is 0.32, correct?
yeah, that's 0.32.
Okay. Living in Long Beach is?
No,
Living in
0.
Long Beach is 0.36, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense to me. PB is living in Long Beach is that, and probability of A is recommend to a friend. Recommend to a friend is, recommend to a friend is all of this, right? Correct?
Yeah. Yeah, it's all no. It would be all of them. Yeah, it's all of them.
So
0.88.
It's all of
0.88.
them. That's 0.88.
that doesn't make any 0.88, okay. 0.88 times 36, right? Let me do it quickly.
I just did all of Long Beach, yes and no,
24,
multiplied by all of the yes.
1 minute, Dhruv. 76, 7, 8, 3 are 24, 31. Wow. Yeah, they seem to be independent events, right?
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Yeah, I put no because they're not equal. Because 3168 is not equal to 0132.
Oh, 3168 rounds to 32, right, Amma?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, so they are independent events. That's nice. Good one. Okay, let's do now mutually exclusive events. Um, okay, wait. Let me go back to our lesson. Okay. I just want to do more of this and then go. Let's see. Wait, let me see what I can do. How about this? Okay, I want you to do something else. Let's see. Wait, 1 minute, guys. Okay, let me go back. Sorry. I want to go back to mutually exclusive events. Dependent probability is okay that you can do. Now let's see. Okay. When a die is rolled, what is the probability of getting a 2 or a 5? When a die is rolled, what is the probability of getting a 2 or a 5? Okay, before I get on to this, right? Two events, when are they said to be mutually exclusive? What are mutually exclusive events? Two events that cannot happen at the same time and have no common outcomes are mutually exclusive events. Make sense? They cannot occur at the same time, they are mutually exclusive. Let's say, I have to give you an example, right? Okay, how about this? Are these mutually exclusive? Let's see. We will do 4. Okay, tell me which are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive events are when events cannot happen at the same time. So rolling a die, rolling a 3 or rolling an odd number on a die, are they mutually exclusive?
They happen at the same time, right? Because you can roll an odd number, it can be 3.
Yeah, so what do you say about mutually exclusive or not? They
They are, right?
they are, meaning
Yeah.
two events that cannot happen at the same time, right? They both cannot happen at the same time. 3 or rolling an odd number, you see, they are mutually exclusive. Getting a sum of 6 or 7 when two dice are rolled, they are mutually exclusive. Okay, you can either get a 6 or a 7, right? You can ride a bus to school or you can ride in a car to school. You can either ride in a car or ride in a bus. You cannot, two events cannot happen at the same time. Similarly, a quadrilateral is drawn and a rectangle is formed or a square is formed. You see, both cannot happen at the same time, right? But so such events are,
Yeah.
for the rectangle in this, yeah, go ahead.
Isn't for the first one rolling a 3 or rolling an odd number, couldn't it happen at the same time? Because 3 is technically an odd number.
Absolutely, yes. But rolling a 3 or rolling an odd number, let's say it can be a 5 as well, right? Odd number is so generic, right? It is a set of 3, 5, 7, 1, 9, right?
No, it's on a
Okay.
die, so it would be
It's on a okay. So what are they? Yeah, so it would be
5.
1, 3, 5. So this, it's not the same set. This is just 3. That is
Okay.
1, 3, 5. Make sense?
Yeah.
For that matter, rectangle, square also is similar, but it's they both are not the same sets. Correct? You see what I mean? Here it's very clear, okay, that confusion is not here where the 6 or a 7. This set consists of oh my god, some consists of 6 or 7. So they both cannot happen at the same time. You can ride a bus or a school. Oh, riding a bus, school. This is so very clear. But here, yes, I do understand your question. This is 3, this is 135, right? No, it cannot, right? Let me move on. Now, let's go ahead and try this one. I want mutually exclusive events. Okay. Okay, how about this? Let's try to do this one. Okay. Suppose in case of mutually exclusive events, right? Meaning if they both cannot happen at the same time, then we are considering A and B are mutually exclusive. Then P of A or B is P of A, probability of the event A plus the probability of event B. You have to add both together. Can I move on? Let's see this one. See whether you are able to do on this probability of mutually exclusive. Let's see this one. At the ballpark souvenir shop, there are 15 posters of the first baseman, 20 of the pitcher, 14 or the central fielder, and 12 of the off-man. This one is typo here. Sports shop. What is the probability that a fan choosing a poster at random will choose a poster of the center field or the shortstop? "15 posters of the first baseman." Let me write down. Baseman, 20 of the pitcher, 14 of the central fielder, 12 of the shortstop. I don't know what is all this, okay? I don't know who are they, okay? I'm very bad at the baseball. Okay, what is the probability that a fan choosing a poster at random will choose a poster of the center field or P of center field? This is CF or shortstop. So do you see, when you segregate them as events, then it's very easy. They are mutually exclusive. Okay, when you pick up a poster, it cannot be both a central field and a shortstop. So clearly they are mutually exclusive events. So you will do this. Any questions, guys? You got it?
Wait, Miss Priya, can't you just do like CF plus SS divided by everything to get
Correct.
the
That's what
probability?
it is. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is only for mutually exclusive events. They both cannot happen at the same time. But the problem is, when they can happen at the same time, that is when the problem comes. Okay, then the formula changes. What is the problem is, hey, I have to go back and check on the examples that we did. Let's check that. P of A or B is, see here, 3 and an odd number, right? 3 and an odd number. Okay, let's go back to that. Vibha raised a good question there. So P of A or B, right? What happens here is they both cannot happen at the same time, means they are not at all related to each other, so you can just add. Suppose if there is an intersection point of both, right? You'll have to subtract that, because when you think about probability of 3 or an odd number, that was the controversial one that came up, right? Now let's see, this is P of odd number. Okay, odd number will be 135, we said, right? Now P of 3 is just 3. Now P of 3 or odd number, when you think P of 3 or odd number, if they ask you, right, what can you do? P of 3 is 1 out of 6. P of odd number is 3 out of 6. See here.
Wait,
So
Miss Priya,
yeah, go ahead.
how is it 1 out of 6? Because there's 6 die on, is 6
Yeah,
numbers
it's
on
a
top.
die, ma. It's a die. I'm considering only a die. Does it sound good? Dhruv, does it sound good?
Yeah, yeah.
So here I can't say this is 4 out of 6. I will have to eliminate what was the intersection, right? Because 1 out of 6 I calculated, 3 out of 6 I calculated, but I have overcounted 1 because I calculated the 3 here, I calculated the 3 in here. So in this case, definitely they are not mutually exclusive. So if they are not mutually exclusive, you will have to subtract the one that was the intersection. That is why the formula becomes P of A plus P of B, subtract the P of A and B, which is the intersection of both, making it to 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. Does that sound good? Okay, let's do this one. Let's do one more. Kripa, good catch, Kripa, on that. Now let's see this one. Have I told you what is the complement of an event? Complement of an event is event happening. Complement of the event is event not happening. Probability of the complement of the event is 1 minus P of A. Very easy to calculate. Probability of an event, first calculate, then subtract it from 1. Then that is complementary. How about this? Okay. How about this? Let's see. Let's do it and see, okay? Adelaide is the employee of the month at her job. Her reward is to select at random from 4 gift cards, 6 coffee mugs, 7 DVDs, 10 picture frames, and 3 gift baskets. What is the probability that Adelaide receives a gift card, coffee mug, or picture frame? Oh, wow. There are 3 events. That's a hard one. Can we try that? You want to try that one? First of all, categorize what are the events. Then let's work it out. It's an employee of the month. Her reward is to select at random from 4 gift cards. Okay. 4 gift cards, 6 coffee mugs, 7 DVDs, 10 picture frames, 3 gift baskets. What is the probability she receives a gift card, coffee mug? Okay, they are all mutually exclusive clearly. Oh, then that's easy. That's very easy, right? So there are 3 events though. So what do you do? P of A or B or C. Here they are completely mutually exclusive. So what would I go ahead doing? P of A plus P of B plus P of C. So that would be, what are they asking for? Gift card is 4 out of something. P of B is what actually? Coffee mug is 6 out of something. P of C is picture frame, right? 10 out of something. What is the total one? 10, 20, 30, right? This is what I got. 2 by 3. See, when it is mutually exclusive, it becomes very easy. When it is not mutually exclusive, it becomes slightly difficult. Let's try this one. We'll try a few one.
Miss Priya, I have to go at 9:45.
Yeah, you can go, Ma. The last problem we'll solve is this. Let's see this one. I really want to solve the 11th problem. Hold on, guys. Okay, how about this? You are going to do this. Okay, I'll wait. You decide between the how to find problem. Selecting a number at random from integers 1 to 20 and getting an even number or a number divisible by 3. Are they mutually exclusive? Are they mutually exclusive?
Yeah.
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 They are.
They are?
They're not because
They are not mutually exclusive. Both can happen. See, getting an even number. Getting an even number, what is the set?
You can get 6.
Yeah, getting an even number set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Or number divisible by 3 is 3, 6.
But how about 20? 1 to 20 be there?
What did I miss 20? Oh, 1 to 20. Okay. Sorry. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Correct? So, do you see numbers common? If you see numbers common, they are not mutually exclusive. See? They are not mutually exclusive 100%. See?
6 and 6.
Yeah. So, now you find out what is the probability for this one. I'll just check the answers.
Wait, there's 6 and 6 also.
What is it?
They're off 6 and 6.
Oh, 6 and 6. Okay. You go ahead and do, guys. Yeah, did you get it? What is the answer, guys? If you're able to do, fine. We'll finish it here. I'll give homework on joint frequencies, marginal frequencies, and mutually exclusive events. Or this week only mutually exclusive events. Did you get it? Oh yeah, Dhruv, you can log off, Dhruv.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma. Ashrita, correct, ma. Mutually exclusive, you got a hang off, right, Ashrita?
Yeah.
But 3 by 20, 13 by 20, Aviba.
Oh, that was a typo, Marmite.
No problem, that's what I thought, okay. Sahana got it now? Sahana, I don't know, times 5. Yeah, Sahana. Oh, yeah. Correct, ma, Sahana. Srishi, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I submitted mine.
Perfect. Any questions?
Can I leave, Miss Priya?
Sure, ma. Bye. Have a nice week ahead, guys. See you next week.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
One second, ma'am. How are you all?
Good.
Good.
Good. Any questions on the homework, guys?
I have a question. I don't understand how to do page 51 in the 3C book.
No problem. 3C, page number 51. Give me a minute. You have to give me a minute though. Okay. I will just go ahead. Give me a minute, guys. Because if I don't do this, I forget things. All of them are coming in. So let's see this one. Let me erase this one. You're going to give me a minute till I bring the book. Sorry, what was that? What was that? Kripa, tell me the page number. Page number?
51.
Oh, 51. Okay. Remainder jump. Is that what you don't know? Is that what remainder jump, Amma?
Yeah.
You will do. Okay. Aradhya, you're done with your Tamil exams? Adya.
Yeah, I
Good.
finished
How was it?
It was
Did it-
good.
Good. Okay. So let's see. Oh my God. Hmm. Okay, let's do one of this. How many of you did this, guys? Srimitra, did you do this?
I did it. Yeah, I did that.
Okay. What is that you did not understand, Kripa?
I don't understand the direction, so like, I understand the concept, but I don't know how to like figure it out.
Oh, you don't know how to figure it out. Okay. You know what? My diagrams are so horrible, you know. Okay. So let's start from here. Divisor is 4. Okay. So for each of the following remainder jump mazes, for the jump maze given, right, begin in the hexagon marked start. Divide the number in the hexagon by the, okay, here they have given the start. I'll start with this hexagon. Okay. Now they are saying divide the number in the hexagon. The number in the hexagon is 19. Divide that number by the given divisor. So I will divide 19 by 4. Okay. Now what do I do? The remainder is the exact number of spaces you must move to reach the new hexagon. What is the remainder here? 3, right? 4 times 4 is 16. The remainder that you have is 3, correct? So I'll have to move to reach the new hexagon. I'll have to move 3 steps, right? When I move 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, I land here. Okay, now what do I do at that point? Divide the number in the new hexagon by the given divisor. 42 divided by 2. What is the remainder? I'm sorry, guys. Remainder is 2, right? So, how do I move? Remainder is 2, right, guys? So, what do I do there?
You move
You
to
moved 2 steps.
Yeah, I move 2 spaces. Yes, yes. I move 2 spaces, right?
Yeah.
But again, guys, I move 2 spaces, then go like this. But before we do this, right? Let's go back. When I go back, 19, when I divide by 4, there are 4 steps, right? Because the remainder is 3, so there were 3 steps, right? So one possible way is moving like this. But you can as well come up with a way like this. I can as well move like this, right? Or I can as well, there are so many ways to move the 3 spaces. I can move 1, 2, 3 as well. So it's a little confusing, right? It's a little confusing, right? So how did you choose, Srimitran? How did you choose between the 3 or 4 paths available? Tell me. Srimitran, why did you choose the first path? There are so many ways, right? I can move to this hexagon. 1, 2, 3. This is one way. There was one another way. 1, 2. There are so many ways if you think about it like this. Or you can move 1, 2, 3. So how did you decide between the paths, Ma? Tell me. Why did you choose that path was right? See, basically I can move like this. 1, 2, 3, right? And then when I divided 42 by 4, what happened? 42 by 4, the remainder was 2. So I went here. This is one path. But there are other ways as well. Let me try. Let me move 3 ways like this. Okay. 28 divided by 4. Remainder is 0. So I can't move anywhere. I can't reach finish. Okay. What are the other ways? Let me see what are the other ways. 3. I can go here. I'm putting it in different colors. I can go here. Now what happened? 13 divided by 4 is what? 1. Remainder is 1. So that remainder 1 I can reach here. But again I'll stay here. I can't go anywhere because 28 divided by 4 is 7. I have to stay here. Or what else I can do? I can even do this. I can do this, right? I will do it in another color. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I can go here, but again I will put up stay there because 28 divided by 4 is 0. So why should I choose only the black path? What is that is ending me with? See, if I choose only the black path, right? What happens is after coming here, I do the same thing, but I'm able to reach the finish line. Okay. In all the other cases, right, Kripa, in all the green, yellow, blue, whatever paths I take, I end up here and I can't move further because my remainder is 0. Does that make sense, Kripa? So I'll have to choose the black path for this hexagon maze. Make sense? Did you get it? Okay. Now I'm going to give you one. You're going to try doing it by yourself, so I'll know whether how you guys did. Let's try this one. This one I'm going to do, guys. Let's try. This is a little, teeny tiny bit hard, guys. Okay, let's see this one. But you're going to do this one. You're going to tell me. Okay. Shreyank is here. Huh? Yeah, he's here. Okay. 73 remainder dash. 73 remainder dash. 68 remainder dash. You're going to do this, guys. 68 remainder dash, 86 remainder dash. Let's do this, guys. This one problem we'll do because this it was a little hard one. 52 remainder dash, and then 50 66, 50 66, 79 59. Okay, guys, let's try this one. Finish. You are going to try by yourself. Okay, you can visualize this on the board. Okay, and you can tell me the answer like this: 73 goes to 86, goes to 52, goes to 66, then to 79, then to 59, then finish. You can say like this: start, then finish. Like this, you can tell me what is the path followed. Can we try? Oh, divisor is 4 again. Divisor is 4. You can tell me the answer like this in this format. What are the numbers you'll follow? Is that what you're going to say? Okay. But you're going to work out one by one. Let's say 73 divided by 4. If I divide 73 by 4, what happens? You'll have to think.
The remainder is 1.
Yeah, remainder is 1. If the remainder is 1, I can either move here or here. Both are possible. 86 divided by 4 becomes 2 remainder. I have to move 2 places, either here or here. Or if I go the other route, right? 68 divided by 4 is 4 ones are 4, 7s are 28, 0.
0.
So what is the only path allowed?
73, 82.
73, 86, 86, Vishwa.
Oh, that's an 86.
Yeah, 86. And then from 86, where did I go? I can go into two ways. So you need to decide which one is better.
52.
Yeah. We'll go to 52 whatsoever because that's the only way. But from, see, 86 divided by 4 is what? 2 remainder, right? So I end up either in the 50 or the 66. Which path is better? You'll have to decide and tell me. Oh, that's a little tricky. Do
70.
do and tell me.
50. 50. 50.
50? Okay. Why? Why 50?
Because if we go to 66, there's going to be no remainder, so you can really stuck there. But if 50, there's going to be a remainder of 2. 66, because the remainder is 2.
Yeah, that's what I thought. 66 divided by 4 is what?
If the remainder is 2.
I think Vishwa seems correct there, right? I think the remainder is 2, so you can still move on, right?
But 50 also has remainder of 2. Both of them has a remainder of 2.
True. Okay, 50 also has a remainder of 2. 66 also has a remainder of 2. What to do then? Good, guys. So both ways are possible. So after that, think of
check 97 and 79.
Yeah.
97.
And 79, we have to check them.
Yeah, check. You have to see. We came till here. Okay, till the green arrow. We are already here. This is the final path. Okay, the thickened path is the final path. We know this. Okay, but I now don't know whether to go to 50 or 66. You have to find. Okay, proceed. From 50, proceed and see. From 66, proceed and see. Let's find out.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
doesn't 52 have the remainder of 0? Because if we do,
You are not going to try at 52, ma. When you land in 86, you divide it by 4. You have to take 2 steps. Blindly, you go, this step is there, and one more step is there. You cannot stop at 52. You're only stopping at 50 or 66.
Miss Priya,
Kripa, did you get it?
yeah, it can be 79. Because if it's 79, the remainder is 5. Miss Priya.
No. Vishwa, did you understand? From here, where are you going to go? There is 2 remainder in both. So there is no way you are going to stop at 79. You have to stop either at, meaning, you have to go 2 steps forward, right? Forward. You 2 steps in any direction, right?
Yeah, but
Miss
we have,
Priya.
we have to go to 50. And then we have to go to 50.
I'm listening. Go ahead.
Because 97 divided by 4 is just a minute. 97.
Why are you going to 97 from 50? How did you go to 97?
Yeah, because after 50, oh yeah. Wait, we have to go to 71.
But from 71, what are you going to do?
I have to divide 71 divided by 4. And I have to check the remainder.
I'm listening, guys. Whatever you want to do, you tell me.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Oh, you did it? Okay, let me see. Good. This is a good one because it's a start problem. So why don't we do? Fine, guys. Let's see. Which one did we do? 73. You can either go to a 50 or a 66, but we need to find out going to a 50 is better or not.
It's not because I tried it. Because then, when you go to the 50, you move 2 steps, you land at 71. 71's remainder is 3. So then you can't go to the finish.
But Kripa, also remember from 50, you don't have to go to a 71. You can also come to a 79. That also you need to check. We don't know.
You have to take. Okay, can I type it in chat?
Yeah, please. Typing in chat is the best way. I'm going to wait for you. See, this is a good, nice, critical thinking way.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead.
And I finished.
Yes, ma'am, I'm checking.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma. 1 minute. I'm checking. Ma. Again, I'm checking. Hold on. Wait, ma.
I have a question.
Oh, wow. 1 second. 1 second.
Miss Priya, I finished.
Guys, if you've sent the answer, I'm fine. Just wait. Yes, 50. Go to 50 then. Okay, that's oh, good job, Shankari. You got it.
I have a question.
Adya, you got it, Adya. Yes, ma.
So, like, if 79 has a remainder of 3, and we got to 59. Does the finish count as number 3?
No, 3 steps, right? Somehow you have to make 3 steps and go to the finish point, that's all. A step is going from a hexagon to a hexagon. Vishwa, check Vishwa, that is incorrect. From 50, you went to a 71. After that, you can't go to a finish because the remainder 71 divided by 4 is what? What is 71 divided by 4, Vishwa?
No,
3, right? There are no 3 steps ahead. So, Vishwa, your answer is incorrect. Did you understand, Vishwa?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, let's see. Think multiple ways. It is all trial and error, but it equips you so well. I said Shankari, you got it, and Adya, you got it. Who else got it? I want answers from everybody on this, okay? Individual answers.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
but if they both had a remainder of 2, and then but the both of the numbers which are the end of the numbers, like the numbers after 66 and 50, they both will not take us to the finish line.
Exactly. So, what do we do? That's what I'm asking you for. Correct. So, that's nice to know that you're on the same track. Good job.
I almost got it. I'm sending the answer.
Uh-huh.
79. Miss Priya, is my answer right?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yes, ma'am. I'm checking Vishwa. Vishwa, 1 minute, Vishwa. I'm sorry. Not really, Vishwa. See, Vishwa, did you understand how it works here? Let me help you. 50 divided by 2 is what? What is the remainder, Vishwa?
50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2 is.
Just the remainder. Srimitran, good job. I think you got it. Meaning, whatever you have given, I understood your way.
50
Yes.
divided by 2 is 25.
Vishwa, please find out the remainder. Send it in chat. 50 divided by 4, what is the remainder?
Priya, am I correct?
Kripa, I'm checking. I need to see. Wait, 79 to 59. 79. Not really. How did you move from 79 to 59? How did you go to 79, ma?
Because I want 66 to wait.
How did you go to 79? See, you are at 50 or 66. From there, you have to keep dividing by 4. You have to move the remainder number of steps. Aditi, did you get it, ma?
Miss Priya, is the remainder 2? I don't understand, Miss Priya. Miss Priya, is it 2?
2, that's correct, Vishwa. Then you have to move only 2 steps.
Yeah, and then 71 divided by 4 is.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
71 divided by 4, you have to finish it, Vishwa. Okay, you have to finish it and see.
Yeah, that's what I sent first.
That is incorrect, Vishwa. From 71, you can't go to finish. Correct, ma. How can you go to finish from 71? Because when you divide 71 by 4, the remainder is not 1. The remainder is something else than 1. If you only get a 1, then you can go to finish from 71. Yes, ma?
I don't understand.
I'll help you here.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
if you got a remainder 1 or 2, then you could finish from 71.
Yeah, but I won't get a remainder of 1, right? That's what I'm saying. 71 divided by 4 is 4 times 4 ones are 4, 31, 7s are 28. Remainder will be 3. I have to move 3 steps, but I have only 1 step to go to finish. So there is no way I can finish. Now, guys, we are at 50, right? 50 or 66. You divide 50 by 4, you divide 66 by 4. What remainder you get? Remainder is 2 here, remainder is 2 here. So, whether I come to 50 or 66, I can only move 2 steps. If I want to move 2 steps, this step is not working. Vishwa already saw that and it's not working. Shankari as well says that from 71, the remainder will be 3. I can never go to finish. So, going like this is definitely incorrect. Okay?
So is it
Now, let's go ahead and try something else. From 60, there is another path. I can try this. I can come to 79, but wait. If I come to 79, what happens? 79 divided by 4 is what? 1, 36. 7 nines are 36. Remainder is 3. So, what can I do? There is one path. 1, 2, 3. I end up in finish. So, the actual path is 50 to 79, 79 to finish. That is the correct path. But I arrived at my answer, but I will not keep quiet like this and accept that that is the answer. I have to make sure there are no other ways. How to make sure there are no other ways? From 66, I can move 2 points. 2 was the remainder. 97. When I divide 97 by 4, what happens? 1 is the remainder, so it goes to 71. If I arrive at 71, I can never go to finish, I know. Okay, so that is not the path. But from 66, I can move 2 like this. If I come to 59, when I divide by 4, what is the answer? 4 4s are 16. 3 is the remainder. From 59, I can't go to finish with a 3 because it only requires a 2. So none of them work. What alone works, what was the only thing that worked was, let me show we checked every path that was possible, right? We arrived at a 50. So 50 arrival is good. That was only working. Okay, and then from 50 I had to take this path. The remainder was 2. I go 2 steps on the clockwise, on the anti-clockwise direction. From 79 I have 3. That is the remainder, right? So I go to finish. Make sense, guys? Does it make sense? Akshara, did it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one you will have to think. See, basic 4 division by 4 is what is here. However, it requires a little bit of thought process. Ananya V, did you get it, ma? Ananya V, did you get it? Okay, 1 second, guys. Now, I'm going to go to your classroom. Okay. Okay. Guys, I didn't see homework from everybody. What is going on at your end? I didn't see. Homework from everybody.
Did you see my homework? I
Did
did my
guys?
homework.
Yeah, so, see, several of them I saw, but some of them I didn't see.
Did you see mine? I sent it.
Vishwa, I saw yours. Shreyank, I saw yours. Shankari, I saw yours. Akshara, very nice. Kripa, I saw yours. Srimitran, I saw yours. Adya, I saw yours. But I didn't.
I turned it today because I finished way before. I finished before it was due, but then I forgot to turn it in on the screen. So
Okay, Ananya and Vihan, what's up?
I did it, but I didn't submit it. I couldn't finish the homework. Plus, I don't know how to send it.
Ask your dad, right?
My mom forgot to submit it. I'll submit it today.
I really want to see what you guys are doing, right? Okay, so please, you're going to send it. Make sense? Make sense? Then only I'll understand, because see, so many questions when it comes, I really want to see what you guys are up to, what you did at least. Okay, so let me see here. Okay, now, okay, I'm going to ask you a couple of things. This is related to your school as well. Okay, school, you might have done this dimes and stuff. Let's see. You all know dime is equal to how many cents, guys? Dime is how many cents?
10 cents.
Good. Quarter is how many cents?
25 cents.
Okay, nice. Okay, now I have 10 coins. Okay, it's worth is 32 cents. Okay, how many nickels do I have? How many nickels do I have? You want to try?
Yeah. Do we send it in chat? 6 nickels? Six.
Everybody has an answer of 6.
Six. No, six. No, we need to have 6 points. Nah. I'm also 6.
You don't think 6? Yes, you're right. 6 is not the answer.
Then that's because it's 10 coins.
Exactly, because it's 10 coins. Good job. Good point.
15.
15 nickels. Guys, if I have 15 nickels, what would happen?
15, 25, 4.
Hey, guys, please listen. You have to reread the question. I have 10 coins worth 32 cents. How many nickels do I have?
Oh my god. 1 nickel. 1 nickel.
Send to me the answer, okay? You have to explain to me. Whoever shouts, you have to send the answer. Everybody is working.
130.
Priya, did you understand why your 6 was incorrect?
7.
Srimitran, check my reply to you.
I got it. Wait, I think I got it. So it's 7. It's only close to 7. It's 1.
Aru, if I have 12 nickels, what would happen? 12 times 5, 60 cents I'll have. But I am saying I am having only 32 cents. I'm having only 32 cents.
When I go to the bathroom. What's Miss Priya? Can I go to the bathroom? Are there 3 nickels?
What is it?
Are there 3 nickels?
Is it 3 nickels you're asking me?
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure it's 3 nickels. It's 1, Miss Priya. I sent my answer.
Guys, you don't have to say. Did you see my reply? Before seeing my reply, you're all saying. Srimitran. Good job, Srimitran. Okay. Good. See, Adya, you sent me the answer. I said yes, but you did not explain to me why.
Oh, wait, I'll explain.
Uh-huh. Very nicely done, Shankari.
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Go and come back. Aradhya, I'm yet to get your answer. So you have to think and tell me the answer. I have 10 coins worth 32 cents. But how many nickels do I have?
6, 27.
Take your time, but I want an answer. Srimitran, what is the 2 now? You already answered, I thought.
I changed my mind.
You change your mind, then both are incorrect. I see. I thought you already answered. Now you change your answer. The changed answer is definitely wrong. I'm just wondering how to help you now.
Auntie, am I correct?
Kripa, not really, Kripa. Your answer was so much easier to say, but that's not really because it can contain nickels. You have 10 coins, right? So you might have some pennies, you might have some nickels. Do you have dimes? I don't know. These are the possibilities I'm saying. Definitely, you cannot have a quarter. Quarter means it comes to 25. After that, you have only 7. That cannot be. So, you should have a combination of pennies, nickels, and dimes. Right?
Well, couldn't it be a quarter because then you could have like a quarter
Yeah, you
and
can have a quarter, but that will not be equivalent to 10 coins, right?
yeah, oh,
You should have
because
10. See, 10 coins is the biggest problem for me. So,
this
if I let's say I have one dime, this is the highest value. So, I have one dime. What happens if I have one dime? That occupies 10 cents. And say I have one nickel. The next value is this. Right? Let me have one nickel. One nickel is 5 cents, right? 15 is occupied, right? No. 8 more. No. I cannot have 8 pennies because if I have 8 pennies, this amounts to 10 coins, correct?
you
But
could
then
Priya,
this one
Miss
is
Priya,
8. Let me finish when I'm talking. This is 23 cents. This is incorrect. Definitely it's incorrect. So the thing is, I'll have to raise the number of nickels or dimes somehow. Tell me, ma. What's that? What's that?
you can do 2 dimes and 2 nickels.
Let's try that. 2 dimes. Then it becomes 20. Okay. But
Miss Priya,
then, but then 25 plus 7 pennies I can have. Good
I
job.
got it.
That really
Just answered.
satisfies.
I answered.
So, such type of questions, guys, only when you write down in a table it helps. Dimes, nickels, pennies. So, I'll
Miss
start with the
Priya.
highest value. I'll start with one. I'll start with one nickel. So, see, this is the number of coins. Here it tells you the number of coins. The final column will be number of coins. Okay, that should satisfy at 10. Okay, value. What is the value of all the coins you should do? So here if I start with 8 pennies, what happens? Number of coins is 10. Great, it's working. But when the value you calculate, right? 10, 15 plus 8 is 23 cents. We need a 32-cent value. So this tells me that I need to increase. What I need to increase? The total value has to increase. How will the total value increase with the same number of coins? You have to either raise a nickel or a dime, right? Let me try raising a nickel. If I try raising a dime, the highest value, so what happens? Now, if I raise it like this and say 2 dimes, 1 nickel. If I do that, what happens? You tell me what happens to the value. 2 dimes is 20, 25, and then I can reduce the penny by 1. So that becomes 32 cents, 10 coins. This is perfectly correct. So the answer is this. 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 7 pennies. Yes, now your questions. I'm prepared to listen to your questions. Go ahead. Kripa, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead with your questions, guys. I'm waiting. Go ahead and ask your questions, guys. Guys, go ahead, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
I didn't get it because I didn't know we could use the pennies and dimes.
You can use any coin is what is given. Good job. But now did you understand that you can use them?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now guys, let's see this one. Okay. I have 18 coins. Okay, you're based on the problem that we work out, you're going to do the problem that are very similar in structure. I have 18 coins, okay? They are quarters and dimes. I have only quarters and dimes. Okay. Now, the amount I have, the value of the amount I have, right? The amount I have, okay. The amount I have in dimes, right? Please listen to the question. The amount I have in dimes is twice the amount in quarters. Is twice the amount I have in quarters. What is the value of the amount I have? What is the value of the amount I have? You want to try finding?
Miss Priya,
Yes, I am here, ma.
the question is asking the value of the amount of, is it the amount of dimes or quarters?
No, value of the amount that I have, total amount that I have.
Okay.
Make sense?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I sent my answer.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, you had some answers. Yes. Shankari, I'm just seeing your answer. I want to see. I don't know. Let's see.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Shankari, I am not sure how are you defending your answer. I want some defense. Good job, Vihan. That's right. Aditi. Yeah, Aradhya, I really like your detailed answer last time.
Miss Priya,
Aradhya, I'm not getting answers.
Miss Priya, should I explain myself?
Would be nice, Vihan, but I would like you to wait till we get another two answers.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yeah.
It smells so good. I'm having guests over today.
Oh, so you're having fun attending a class? I
My
know.
friend's anniversary today, that's why.
Okay, that's okay. I have had guests.
Just one. Miss
But you
Priya,
know what? I'm so happy that you're attending the class.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yeah, ma, Kripa,
Not
I'm
now.
talking. Kripa,
Not now.
Kripa, the question is asking what is the total amount I have? You have not written the total amount at all. Srimitran, good job.
But is my answer
Srimitran, are you doing it by yourself or getting help, Srimitran?
I got a little help from my
Little.
mom.
Okay, okay. Good job, Shreyank. Very nice. Shreyank, are you getting help or what are you doing? I don't see.
little help because I didn't understand the problem as much.
Okay. But now you understood?
Yeah.
What is that part you didn't understand?
Miss Priya,
One second, ma. Go ahead, Shreyank.
I didn't understand the value of the amount
you have.
Okay. What is the value of the amount I have means how much in dollars or cents I had with me. That's what it means. Okay. Now, Srimitran nicely raised his hands. Instead of interrupting the class, he nicely raised his hands. Good job, Srimitran. Go ahead. What did you want to say?
I need to go outside, so can I leave the
Yes,
class?
yes. Your dad already messaged. Dad or mom, please go. I have already recorded. You can watch.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma.
Yes,
Pippa,
Priya.
that's not correct, ma. Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. I'll give you some clues. Okay, I have 18. Okay, he wanted to explain. Vihan, go ahead.
So we needed to find what the number is. So which will double the number, which will equal to 18. I tried with with the two table. 2 plus 4 is 6. That cannot be it. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So that cannot be it. 4 plus 8 is 12. That's not correct. 5 plus 10 is obviously 15. But 6 plus 12 is 18. So $18. So 12 times equals to 12. 10 times 12. Or 12 times 10, which is 120 plus.
Why don't we write? I'm sorry to interrupt. Why don't we write on the board? Go ahead.
Should I annotate?
Yeah. Whatever you explained.
At least I need to turn this into my iPad.
Okay, no problem. I can write. You can shout out. What should I write?
Yeah. So we start. We have to find what number times 2 will equal to 18.
Okay. Why?
So no, we have to find two numbers. So can you erase that? Does not mean I not mean to say that. So we have to find a number. We have to find two numbers. So remember, in the second number times 2 has to equal to both number has to be 18.
Okay.
So we should start with 4 table because it makes the more sense. 4 plus 8 is 12. That's 6 more. 6 less. 5 plus 10, 18. No, 15. So that's not correct. 6 plus 12. That's 18. So that's correct. So now we have to do, when the dime is 10, 10 times 12 or 12 times 10, 120 plus the quarters, which are 6. So it equals to 25 plus 25 times 6. 25 times 4 equals to 100. And then 25 times 50. 150.
Very nice.
120 plus 150 equals to 270.
Very nice.
270 equals to $2.70.
Okay, very nice. So he went with Shankari. Your hand is raised. I know. Did you want to say something?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I said 6 times, I meant 6 quarters and 12 times.
Oh, okay. I understood what you meant, Shankari. So, guys, this is one way, okay? Just trying it out. What to try it out? Just start with something like some quarters plus dimes equal to 18, right? You can start with 6 and a 6 and try. And then reduce or increase based on this. Based on what I have, the amount I have in dimes is twice the amount I have in quarters. Based on that, you can increase or decrease. That's what all of you did, is what I am seeing. Okay, Shreyank, how did you do? Whoever did it like this. So you had some quarters and dimes, you went ahead and increased or decreased the quarters and dimes to equate this. The amount I have in dimes is twice the amount I had in quarters. What did you do, Shreyank?
I kind of did the exact same thing.
Okay. So another way, did you think about this way? I've always been telling you to use variables. Can I say quarters? Number of quarters is Q. Okay, please see, tell me how many of you understood. You're going to raise your hand if you understood. Number of dimes is D. Can I say, wait, I did not finish. After finishing, you can tell me whether you understood. Q plus D equal to 18. Okay, quarters plus dimes equal to 18. Now, what is the value? If I have 1 quarter, what is the value I'll have? 25 cents. If I have 2 quarters, I will have 2 times 25 cents. If I have q quarters, what will be the value of the amount I'll have? What will be the value of the amount? Huh?
No, Q plus Q times 25 because it's
Q times 25 cents I have. So 25 Q cents I'll have. Okay, now suppose I have 1 dime, that is 1 times 10. If I have 2 dimes, I'll have 2 times 10 as the number of cents. If I have D dimes, what will be the number of cents I'll have?
D times 10.
D times 10, or I can say 10D, correct? So now
Yeah.
you know what I can do? 25Q. Because of the quarters, I have this much value, 25Q. Because of the dime, I have 10 dimes, right? But they are saying the amount, this 10D in dimes, the amount in dimes is 10D. So what I can say is 10D, that is the amount in dimes, is equal to 2 times the amount I have in quarters. What is the amount I have in quarters? 25Q. Make sense? So what does it say? 2 times 25 is what? 50Q. 10D equal to 50Q. Did you see it, guys? 10D is 50Q. So what is 1D? 10 dimes is 50Q. What is 1D? 5Q. Correct, guys? Do you see it? How? If 10 dimes is equal to 50Q, what is 1D? Divide by 10, divide by 10. So 1D is 5Q. So this 1D, wherever I see a D, I can plug in 5Q. From here, if I say Q plus 5Q is 18, 6Q is 18, Q is 3. How many of you understood this? Please raise your hand only if you understood what I said. How many of you understood what I said? If you didn't understand, it's okay not to follow. Oh wow, so many of you understood. Let's do one more time. What I am saying is you can always rely on your variables, okay? They are very strong. So what I suggest is, let's say the number of quarters, okay? I am going to take the number of quarters as Q, number of dimes as D. Let me explain once again. If you really understand, it's great. If you didn't understand, it's okay. But I want you to slowly go to variables. These are difficult questions. So number of quarters that I have, I'll take it as Q. Okay, number of dimes that I have, I'll take it as D. I can write Q plus D equal to what? 18. But I don't want two different letters. It's so confusing. I don't want letters at all. And even if I want, I can have only one letter. I cannot have two letters. So I have to find out what is the relationship between Q and D. So I go to the next part of the question. The amount I have in dimes. What is the amount I have in dimes? If I have D dimes, I already know that I have D dimes. So what will be the amount? D times 10. That is the total value of the amount I have in dimes. What is the total value of the amount I have in quarters? That will be Q times 25. 25 cents is 1 quarter. So I have Q quarters means Q times 25. They are saying the amount I have in dimes, which is 10D, will be equal to is means equal to twice the amount I have in quarters. 2 times 25Q. 2 times 25 is 50Q. 10D is 50Q. Can I divide by 10 on both sides and just say D? D equal to 5Q. So wherever I see a D, so I go back, wherever I see a D, I can put in 5Q. If I put 5Q there, then it becomes very easy. 6Q is 18. 6 quarters is 18 means how many is Q? How do you get that, guys? 6Q is 18. What is Q? Huh? 6Q, 6. See, let's say each box is Q. Okay, 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these is 18. What is each box?
3.
3. Q is an unknown letter. I want to know what is that number. So 6 of those unknown boxes is 18. So that the Q is the unknown box. So Q will be equal to 3. So number of quarters I have is 3. Right? Now we already know Q plus D is 18. So how much is D? Q is 3. How much is D?
6. No, these 12.
15.
15.
15.
15 dimes, 3/4 I have. That amounts to 75. 15 dimes is what? 150, right? Oh, why, guys? I'm getting this. What did you all get? I'm getting 15 dimes and 3/4. You're all getting a different value, right?
Mm-hmm.
What did you get?
15 dimes and 3/4.
What did you all get?
270 cents.
270 cents. Okay. Now you tell me how many dimes and how many quarters we had then. Let's compare our answers. Go ahead.
So there's 6/4 and then
4 dimes and 6/4.
4 dimes. Okay, let's see. 4 dimes and 6/4 you're all saying, right?
what?
Did you check whether it is
12 dimes and 6/4.
okay? 12 dimes and 6/4 is 18 coins. That's correct. But did you check whether the amount in dimes? What is the amount in dimes? 120 cents, right?
Yeah.
6/4 is how much? It is 150 cents, right?
Yeah.
So the amount in dimes is not equal to the amount in quarters, right, guys? Amount in dimes should be 2 times the amount I have in quarters. Amount I have in quarters is 150 cents, right?
Oh, that's what I did wrong.
Yeah, so you did not obey both the policy, both the restrictions or both the conditions that are given. So you have to obey both the conditions. When will you be able to obey properly? Only when you start writing it out as letters. Do you all get it? So see, my answer was 225 cents. Your answer was 270 cents. So maybe that I am wrong or you're wrong. So what did we do? We went and put in your answer. We calculated the amount in dimes and amount in quarters. They are saying the amount in dimes for us was 120. Is that twice that of quarters? No. So you have to obey every condition that's given. That's the best part of doing mathematics. Yes, Ananya. Sorry, you are raising your hand. Adya is raising her hand. Go ahead.
Can I log into a different computer? This chat isn't working.
Yes, you can. Okay. This. Aru, tell me, ma. Yeah, Aru, did you understand why your answer was incorrect? Everybody had 270. It's interesting. And you know what? When my daughter worked this maybe a year back or whenever it is, she also has the answer as 270. So I'm really I don't know how come all of you are getting the same. I know why you all did that. You all did it based on the 18 coins. But you never got to verify the amount I had in dimes is twice the amount in quarters. Nobody verified it. So when a problem is given, it's so important to go back, reread and check whether I have obeyed every condition given. Make sense?
So like the value of dimes is twice the amount of the value in quarters. Oh, I thought it was like if there's 12 dimes and it's 12, it's 2 times the.
I got it. So you thought the number is twice, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, Amma. Wait, let me clarify this, okay? Okay, let's say I have 3 dimes, 2/4. Good, nice discussions. 2/4. See, the number of coins I have here is 5. Okay. Okay, the amount I have in dimes. What is the amount I have in dimes is 30 cents. This is the value or the amount. 2/4 is, I'm sorry, this is cents, guys. 30 cents. And then this is 2/4 is 50 cents. Do you see the difference? This is referring to the amount I have. Make sense? Amount, or they can say, oh, this is the amount I have, or the value of the amount I have. They can say it like that. Similarly, when you talk about these numbers, like 325, when you talk about these numbers, this 2, what is if I ask you, what is the place value? What is the place value of 2 in this number? What is the place value of 2 in this number?
10.
Tens. What is the value of 2 in this number?
20.
20. See the difference. So, reading it again and again. This is place value, this is value. They both seem same. But you see, unless you focus and read, this one word place has a lot to do with it. So place value means it's tens, value means it's 20. Like that, amount or value means the value of the money that you have. You got it? So rereading a problem overall is so important is what I feel. Okay. Now let's do one more. You see, I didn't do much. Okay.
Miss Priya, can I go for my class?
Yeah, please go. Last question, guys. Did I talk to you about King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk? I did, right? Okay.
Yes.
And time, are you good with time or should I help you with reading time?
I'm good at time.
That's a part of your school, right?
Yeah, I'm good with
I don't know. I don't want to give you more. I want to work with you too. Okay. I'll do one thing. Till 89 in the book, you can all do and come back.
All 89?
No. As a continuation of your last week, right? You will do a little more, that's all. Till 89, 86 to 89.
3C.
86 to 89.
What? That's only 3 pages.
Yeah, that's only 3 pages. I'll give you something else, okay?
Okay. I'll promise to do that too.
Thank you, but I want everybody's submission this week.
Okay.
Is it in 3C?
Yeah, ma, 3C, yes. Does that make sense? Yes, go ahead.
Wait, you're posted in the Google Classroom, right?
Yeah, I already assigned and I'll give you one more homework on the word problems. Will you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I want you to do that and come. Okay, guys?
Are we going to finish the word problems?
What, ma?
Are we going to finish the word problems this
You're not going to finish, ma. There's a lot, so I'll give you only 20. Can I give you 20 of the word problems? Yeah, because finishing 50, meaning as we move up, the word problems are going to be tougher and tougher. So, last time you did 50, right? This time you're going to do question number 51 to 75 maybe. If you don't know, there will be a lot of I don't know coming next week because they're all hard. You have to use variables, remember? So, you have to show what are the variables you used. Okay, and equations that you're coming up with. So
I thought we did 50 to 88.
Oh, that's good. Then produce the work there. Just submit it in Google Classroom. I'll take care.
I did it last week already.
Yeah.
I assigned it last week, but my problem is yes, till 85 I have assigned. Good. Okay, those of see, you know what? I saw only 2 people who submitted that. That is my problem. That is why I'm going back and reassigning. But having said that, right, Shivashankari and Adya did it. I saw that earlier, okay? In that case, why don't you complete from 85 to 100? You can be a little ahead, guys. Can we? So Adya and Shivashankari, you go ahead and do 85 to 100. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good. See you all next week, guys. Have a nice week ahead, guys.
Thanks, Priya.
Bye, guys. Aditi, I want to some time talk to Mama. Yeah, Ma. Aditi.
Thank you.
I finished
Bye, guys.
the word problem. Bye, Miss Priya.
Aditi, I want to talk to you. What is that?
Bye, Priya.
Bye, Ma. See you all
Bye.
next week, guys. Aditi, what did you say, Ma?
The word problems till 85. So can I?
You did it?
Yeah. Did I forget to submit?
Yeah. Can you submit
sorry.
it to your WhatsApp number? You know how to photo and send it. Why don't you send it to my WhatsApp? You don't have to ask your mom or dad to submit. They're all busy, I know. Why don't you submit?
But
Only for you, you can submit it in WhatsApp. Can I see what you did?
okay.
You can send a photo. You know how to take a photo, right?
Yeah.
Why don't you send it to me? I want to see what you did.
Okay.
But looks like in the class you didn't understand, right? Are you able to get up at this time now?
Yeah.
Oh, then you get up and attend the class, right? I didn't see you last week, right? Or the last week. I didn't see, right?
I think last week.
Yeah, so I didn't see. If you miss classes, you will not understand, right? How are you doing in school?
I'm good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Did you finish your star?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
sometime I really want to talk to you and your mom. Can we do? I
Yeah.
really want to know what's going on. Okay?
Okay.
Bye bye. Have a
Bye.
nice day. Hi. Hi, Jeevanashriyan. Kripa, are you done? Kripa, did you have a question? Okay, let's move on. Hi,
Hi.
who are you guys?
Hi. We're
Let me
good.
talk one by let me know, guys. I have all your names. Jeevanashri is what I have written. You're the eighth grader, right, ma?
Yeah.
See, I have written
So
eighth.
I'm
And
seventh.
Mohit is so. Oh, you're going into eighth, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and he's going into sixth,
Fifth. Fifth.
the fifth. Okay, Mohit. Okay, so shall I talk to you first or him first?
You can talk to me first.
Sure. Is that okay? Is it okay, Mohit?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, sure. Just give me 10 minutes or 15 minutes. The first I'll talk to her and then come to you. Is that okay? Yeah, you can relax. You can go. You can go and come back.
Okay.
Yeah. What are you doing in school, ma'am?
I just finished my STAR test.
Mm. What start? One second, wait. Okay, you finish your start. What start test did you take, ma'am?
I took the English and Math STAR.
That I know. In math, what did you do?
So in the beginning I was learning 7th and 8th grade math, but in the STAR test I took 7th grade math.
That's what I want to know. You did seventh grade math. Okay. Next year, are you going to take Algebra 1?
Yeah.
How good are you with solving equations and stuff?
I'm
How are you
not,
doing in school? What can I ask you for your grades or something?
yeah.
Uh,
My grade in math is a 99 right now.
oh my goodness. Okay, did you ever accelerate?
From last third 9 weeks, yeah. Last third 9 weeks I had a 96, and this 9 weeks I have a 99.
So my question is, did you ever write any acceleration exam? You didn't?
No.
Okay. Okay, so that being the case, can I ask you a couple questions? Not more, I'll ask because you're already telling me a lot of things nicely. So, do you know how to find out 2x plus 3y equal to 7? What is the slope of this? Do you know the slope of this line? Don't worry, Jivanash. If you don't know, you don't know. You see what I mean? I have no idea who you are in mathematics, right? So I just want a benchmark of where we are standing. So based on that, I'll get you to a correct class. That's the deal. It's not like a test or anything that you have to be very anxious about. You got it? Just tell me whether you know or not. Do you know how to find the slope of this line? Okay. Do you know how to find the slope of this line? Slope.
Um,
Have you learnt about the slope and intercepts?
yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. So this is something like you have seen before. This is you have never seen before, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. That's what I want to know. That's all. Okay. Now let's see. How about this? Let's say I have this line. Okay. What is the slope of the perpendicular line? I have this line. Let's say line M is perpendicular to this line. Do you know the slope of line M?
Um,
That's algebra 1.
three, and
Slope of the perpendicular line, correct. That's the slope of this line. What is the slope of the perpendicular line? Okay, so that's algebra 1. Good. Whatever you answered is your grade level math. Okay, let me go ahead and ask a few more. Okay, how about this? I have a 3 by 4 feet of yarn. Okay, I am cutting pieces from it, equal pieces from it. Okay, Each piece is 1 by 16 feet. How many pieces will I get? How many pieces will I get? Do you know? You tell me. Let's both do it together on the board.
Okay.
Oh.
So
Don't
first, go ahead.
you go ahead.
Okay.
I
So
want you to go
first,
ahead.
I combine like terms. So like 1/2 plus 3/8 x.
Oh, Mama, please don't get confused with this. This is the second question. This is the
Oh,
first
oh,
question.
oh.
Sorry. Go ahead.
Um.
You want me to read it to you? I have 3 by 4 feet of yarn. I'm cutting pieces from it. Each piece is 1 by 16 feet. How many pieces will I get?
So I do 3 by 4
Yeah, like this. We both will do together. 3 by 4.
Okay.
Then what do you do?
times 1 by 16.
You are splitting this, right? Then what operation is that?
Division.
You're going to divide by 1 by 16, right? So
Oh, okay.
how do you divide that?
So 3 by 4 times 16 over 1.
That is it. This is what I want you to do. Answer is 12 pieces. Make sense?
Yeah.
How do you do this one?
So combine like terms first.
Nice. How do you combine like terms?
So 1/2 x plus 3/8 x.
Correct. So how do you do that?
So I have to like turn both of them to have same denominator.
Correct.
So that will turn into
Half will
4
turn
over 8.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8, that's 7 over 8 plus 1 equals to 1/4.
What do you do now?
I isolate the x, so I divide 7 over 8 1/4.
Wait a minute.
Wait, hold on.
I don't want to touch the expression with the variable. I don't want to touch it unless it is separately standing.
Oh, wait. So it's 1 minus 1/4.
Yeah, I will subtract 1 on both sides.
Yeah.
Correct? Yep. So 7 by 8 x will be equal to minus 3 by 4. What do you do now?
Now I divide.
Divide by what?
By 7 over 8.
Yes. So this will become 1. Divide by 7 by 8. What will this become? Minus 3 by 4 times 8 by 7. So what is the answer?
1, 2, 6 over 7.
Minus 6 by 7. You got it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good. So you know better. You know nicely. Okay, seventh grade. Okay, you know what are rational numbers? Do you know how to simplify this?
Yeah.
How?
Can I get a paper?
Yeah, absolutely. You should have brought a paper. It's a math class.
Usually what I do, I just make a number line and then I get like the closest number to it.
Okay, go ahead. So, in the meantime, confirm with me, Ma. You're going to go to Algebra 1 next year, right?
Yeah.
So you're comfortable with whatever you're learning at school. That's what I see, correct? Okay, good to know. Go ahead. I'll help you, huh?
I
You know?
got 7.06.
Oh, no, no, no. Okay. No, no, no. I just want it in radicals. Simplify it in radicals. How did you get 7.06? Good, 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 good. The way you did was good, but how did you do that?
So I just drew a number line, and I don't like in the middle I put 50, and then on like the beginning of the number line I put 49 because that's the closest number, and then I subtracted 49 and 50, I got 1, and then 49 and 64, I got 15. So I did
Very
1
good
over
job.
15.
Very proud of you. Good job. Very nice. Okay. So, have you done transformations, reflection,
No, I don't
rotation?
think so. I don't think so.
Which ISD are you in? Are you in Prosper?
Prosper.
So you never did rotation, reflection, huh?
I don't think so.
Okay. Dilation?
Wait, what is that?
Okay, okay. That's what I want to know. Dilation means you're making it bigger or smaller. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Okay. That is 8th grade math. Some schools do some of 8th grade math in
Yeah, that's
7th
what
grade.
we're doing.
That's what you're doing?
Yeah, some of 8th grade, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I know. But transformations did you do in school? Okay, that's what I want to know. Okay. Let me ask you a couple more things. Did you do net worth, assets?
Yeah, yeah,
You did that? You know how
yeah,
to calculate net worth?
yeah,
Okay. More questions coming your way. So you're good with equations, okay. Slope need a little bit of brush up, I see. And rational numbers are okay. You did great in radicals. Next year, are you doing algebra 1? Are you very sure you're doing algebra 1?
yeah.
Okay. Doing algebra 1. Okay. Um, okay. Got it, ma. Any questions that you have for me?
Yeah, I have a question. So for slope, we used to like learn it like from the graph side.
I see. Okay, well,
Like we don't use equations a lot.
don't worry about it. Okay, I'll help you. What do you want to know from here? You want to know how to calculate the slope?
Yeah,
Sure. Y equal to, I gave you two different things like this, right? Line equations are always of the format mx plus b. This is
yeah,
always the slope, this is always the y-intercept.
yeah.
Makes sense? When I want to draw it in a graph, meaning you have always learned from the graph you'll be able to do, right? But here when you think about it, y-intercept is 4. That means x value is 0, right? So 0 comma 4 is a point, right? From then on, I have 3 as the slope, right? 3 as the slope means rise by
Rise over
1, right?
run.
Yeah, so I can go down, go left as well. Go down, go left as well. 1 point left. So this is a point on the graph. So this is my line.
Yeah.
Or I can go 3 steps up and then 1 step right. So that's a point on the line. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So here this is the slope, this is the y-intercept. If I am given like this, right, it's very difficult, right? So
Yeah.
what I do is I subtract 3x on both sides. See, the x came to the side. You see? So 4y will be equal to minus 3x plus 7. Does that make sense? Now divide by 4, what happens? Y will be equal to minus 3 by 4 x plus 7 by 4. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Now what is the slope? Now it's easy to tell the slope.
-3 over 4.
Exactly, that's what I wanted you to say. You got it?
Yeah.
So if I am telling you, you understand it. Just that you were not taught that earlier, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understood about you. Any questions for me?
No.
That's what I wanted to understand. Whether you're able to understand what I say. But otherwise, there's no point in the class, right? So now you understand it good. That's what I see, right? And whatever your school taught you in seventh and eighth, you're doing it well. That's what I see, right? So we'll be starting with algebra one, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Any other questions for me?
No.
Yeah. So it was not a
Thank,
test or anything. Yeah. Tell me.
thank you for it.
Yeah. No. What else? What? In nothing. No. Nothing else to talk to me.
No.
Okay. Okay. When do you want to start your classes? Do you know, or should I ask your dad?
You can ask my dad.
Okay. Sure. I'll ask. Okay. Can I talk to your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice talking to you, Ma.
Yeah, you too.
Hi, Mohit. How are you?
Good.
You're going into fifth. You're in fourth.
Yeah, I'm in fourth.
At least in Zoom, you seem very tall. I don't know whether you're very tall, really. Are you tall?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay.
Everyone says
Everyone
that.
says so. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, but Zoom is always deceptive. I think some of the kids are very tall, and when I meet them in person, they're so short. So I don't know. Okay.
Oh,
So now
okay.
let's go ahead. So you also go to Prosper ISD?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So your STAR test is over?
Only my English one is.
Math is pending, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. I have 3 dimes, 4 quarters. All this you learn in school, right?
Yeah.
What is the total amount I have?
Wait, let me see.
Do you like math?
Yeah.
Go ahead and say.
What?
Go ahead and say the answer I said. You work out and say the answer I said.
Okay. I'm just working out right
Yeah,
now.
yeah. Hey, you have a cousin, right, who wanted to talk today?
Which cousin?
Okay, no problem. I'll talk to your dad. You go ahead.
Okay, I know the answer.
What is it?
130
What is it?
cents.
130.
100.
Good job. Okay. How about this? I have a cloth that is 5 by 8 feet long. I have another that is 1 by 16 feet long. I want to stitch them together. What is the total length of the cloth? What is the total length of the cloth after stitching?
Okay.
Can you tell me?
Okay, let me see.
You can work with me, right, Meaning you can tell me what's it.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm just doing my work.
Sure.
Okay, I got the answer.
What is it?
1 and 1/16.
How did you do that? Once you say
Oh,
the
yes.
answer, you have to tell me how you did that.
So first, for 5/8, I found a common denominator, which is 16.
Mm.
And then since 8 times 2 is 16, I did 5 times 2 to the top 2, which is 10/16.
Mm-hmm.
And now that I have a common denominator, I
Mhm.
can add them up,
Mm-hmm.
which equals to 17/16. But then I made it into a mixed number.
What was the
Which
answer to this one?
1 and 1/16.
When you made your common denominator to 16, what happened to this fraction?
It became 10/16 because 8 times 2 is 16 and 5 times 2 is 10.
Okay, so it became 10/16, and after that, what did you add to it?
What I added to it is I added 10/16 plus 1/16 because they have a common denominator.
Great. And what was your answer?
17/16.
Why?
Because it's 11/16.
Okay. So you don't need to convert it. It's a proper fraction, right?
Oh yeah, it's a proper.
Yeah. Do you know how to convert 121 by 10 into a mixed fraction? Mixed
Okay, let me.
number.
Okay, yeah.
You can talk to me, meaning you don't have to break your head with your paper. You can just talk to me. We can do it on the board together. How
Okay.
to do 121 by 10? What will you do first?
So first, I have to see how many. I have to divide it by 10,
Mm-hmm.
and then see how many tens it takes to make like less than 121.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 10, 20. So 10 times 12 equals 120, right?
Correct.
So minus 1 equals 1, right? So then you put 10 on the denominator section,
Uh-huh.
and then you put 12
Mm-hmm.
on the number side.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put 1 on the top for
Okay.
numerator.
Okay, great. Okay. If I give you this, how do you do this? Do you know how to do this?
Yeah.
How do you do?
So first, I line the numbers. So first put 23, and then
Like
in
this?
the
Do you do
like
like this?
that.
And then do you do this and
And
this?
then so
Okay,
3
no
times
problem.
4 is 12.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, I got it. You're good with fundamentals. Okay, great. But do you know how to do this like this? 20 plus 3. I split it as 20 plus 3 and then multiply by 4. 80 plus 12. Do you know how to do that like that?
Mm,
Not
I
really? You don't.
not
Okay.
really.
No problem. I just want to know. Okay. So now, with respect to fraction, okay, decimals, how much you know?
I just know like adding and subtracting.
Adding and subtracting. Okay.
Yeah, decimals.
Uh-huh. If I ask you to write out 470 tens or 470 hundreds, 470 hundreds, what is this number? I ask you to write it in standard form. What is 470 hundreds?
It is. Is
Write
it 4 and 70 hundredths?
So how do you write it? Tell me the number.
Okay, so put 4 over there, and then add a decimal point, and then write 70.
Very nice. Okay. Okay. So you know, I don't want to ask you addition subtract. I know you know. Okay, addition from where whatever you've answered, I clearly know what. If you have discussed that in school, you know. What? How are your grades in math?
93.
Where do you lose that 7 points? What is a common area where you lose the 7 points?
Fractions.
Fractions. Okay. That's fine. Is one? Let me ask you this. Okay. Let me ask you this. Is 5/6 less or 3/4 less?
It is 3. I think 3/4 is less.
Why do you think so?
Okay, because so I'm gonna use the butterfly method. So
You do this? Do you do this?
yeah.
Aha, good. Who taught you that?
My sister.
Your sister. School didn't teach you that?
No.
But do you know why it works? Why would
Why?
the butterfly method work? I'm so happy that you said that, but why does it work?
I don't know.
The fractions with different denominators can't be compared, right? So what you're
Yeah.
actually doing is you're just making it into the same denominator. That's what you're doing here. Okay. By doing that, this becomes 20/24. This becomes 18/24. So you made them into the same denominator. So the comparison is easier. That's why when you butterflied it, you got 20 here, 18 here. You got it?
Yeah.
You got it now why it works?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. For you time, okay, how many, okay, without seeing anything, don't refer to anything, but let's see. 10 meters is how many centimeters? Do you know?
It is okay. Let's see. Wait. Can I? Okay, never mind. It is 1,000 centimeters.
Good job. Have you memorized it?
Yeah.
Or educationally guessed it? Which is correct?
Yeah, because I learned it from a different class I used to go to.
Okay, so you memorized it, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to know. Okay. 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 Um, do you know fraction, multiplication, division? Do you know how to multiply this?
No.
You know just addition and subtraction, correct?
Yeah, but with alike denominators.
Yeah. Meaning, do you know how to multiply this?
No.
Okay, that's all I want to know. Okay. Decimal multiplication, do you know?
Decimal, no.
Okay, decimal addition, subtraction, you know, correct?
Yeah.
Do you know how to divide this by this?
Nope.
Okay. Any questions for me?
No.
Not really. Geometry. Coming to geometry.
I
Go
just
ahead.
want. Oh yeah, geometry. Yeah.
Do you know what type of a triangle is this?
Is it a acute triangle?
Why do you say so?
Yeah, cause it has like angles, less than 90 degrees.
Good job. What is angle around a point?
Angle around a point. Okay. Is it a right angle?
Angle around a point is 90, 90, 90, 90, right? So 90 times 4, it's 360. What is the angle on a straight line?
Straight angle.
Yeah, what is it? How much is it?
It is 180.
Are you asking your sister?
No.
Okay, good. What is the sum of the angles in a triangle?
Oh, okay. So there's like a obtuse angle, and there's a acute angle, and a straight angle.
Okay, I got it. So basics of geometry, what to start in school, you already know, looks like, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, any questions? You were about to ask a question, I intervened. I'm sorry. What was that question?
Oh yeah. I think it was multiplying I think it was decimals, yeah. Multiplying decimals.
What did you want to say about it?
I just want to know like how to do it like with just standard.
I didn't get your question. Multiplying decimals with standard you're asking, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, it comes in 5th standard.
Oh, okay.
Okay, no, I just want to know before and after. That's why I asked you. Don't worry
Oh,
about it.
okay.
You got it.
Okay.
You always discuss addition, subtraction of fractions in fourth, addition, subtraction of decimals in fourth,
Yeah,
and yeah, yeah. One,
but
yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
we only learn adding and subtracting fractions with like the same denominators.
But how did you know about different denominators? You did well, right?
Yeah, because my sister taught me.
Oh, that's so nice. That's good to know. I'm glad you told me. Very nice. Okay. Any other questions for me?
No more.
Good job. Okay. I can talk to your dad.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Dad or mom, whoever is here.
Yeah, Dad.
Sure.
Yeah. Hi,
Hello.
ma'am.
Hi.
Yeah.
I did talk to Mohit and Jivanashri. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Though, so they are going into fifth and eighth, right?
Yeah, fifth and eighth,
Eighth,
correct.
okay. So, that being the case, see, for your eighth grader, I am very set. Okay, she can come into the class anytime. Okay, whenever you want to.
Okay.
Okay, for your incoming fifth grader, right? The class that I have is a little accelerated.
Okay.
You're very welcome to try, but he might have to catch up a little bit faster.
Okay.
He clearly knows whatever is taught in school. For sure, for his grade level, he is very good.
Okay.
But the thing is, the class that I have is a little accelerated. Would it be something that you would like to try?
How about for my Jivana eighth grader? Is it not accelerated or is it regular
Mata,
one?
regular na, see, that is advanced algebra one she'll be in.
Okay.
Okay, the thing is, I'll tell you a little bit in detail. I'm assuming she has done 7 and 8 pre algebra. She will be getting into advanced algebra 1 in my classes. Okay,
Okay.
this one will cover all the text and all the Texas benchmarks. For algebra 1, it will be a tad bit harder than school.
Okay.
Okay.
And like so, ma'am, are you doing the same thing with um what is her name, your friend? Samanvi, or is she into different one?
Someone we finished this.
Oh, Samanvi finished that. Okay.
Yes. Someone we finished this already.
Okay, got you. Okay.
Yeah. See, the thing, she came to me last year, right?
Got you. Okay.
Yeah. See, yeah, she did this year with me.
Got you.
I
Okay.
know at school she studied way lower than what she studied with me. She completed the next year syllabus with me.
Okay. I'm with you. Okay, I understood now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she's going, your daughter, Jivanashri can do this one with me. The advanced algebra one she can do with me.
Okay. Yeah. So we are clear on that. And when it
That
comes
then
to
I'm
Mohit,
very clear. The girl is very, very nicely telling me what she is wanting, what she does not know. It was very nice talking to Jivanashri.
okay.
Mohit was also too good, but the thing is, what I feel is, in his, I'll tell you the way we go for him. Okay, fourth grade that I have is really advanced, very advanced, in the sense what these kids are going to do is they will do some fifth grade. Okay, the hard fifth grade they will do, it's not the school based fifth grade. Okay, they will do, and by December I will move them to sixth grade syllabus. Okay, I'll finish this syllabus, and then in March 2027 these kids will appear for the sixth grade exam, skip sixth grade, get into seventh grade. Math alone, math alone.
Okay.
You see what I mean? Meaning, that is why I was always telling fifth grade is the best time to accelerate for any kid.
Okay.
Okay, so I usually work with kids. The current fourth grade I have, all of them are pretty good. They will go into this hard fifth grade. By December, I'll move them to sixth grade, finish and give it, and let them give their exam by March 27 to go into the seventh grade for 2027-28. Make sense?
Yeah, so I understood this part, but so in case Mohit takes some time initially to catch up,
Correct.
so will you be able to take up some additional classes? So I really want to try that for sure. And with your feedback, continuous feedback, we can take a call. But in case additional classes needed, I'm really fine with that.
Lelma, wait, no, I don't want to go that path of accept because see, I have so many classes. You see what I mean? Meaning, I don't want to
Got you.
agree right off to work with one fourth grader because it will be tough for me. And after I promise, I will not go back. I will feel guilty too. So I don't want to commit unless I can. You see what I mean?
Correct, correct. Yeah, no, I understood, ma'am. So, but
Uh,
the one other thing is like if he feels like a little challenge in picking up and
I feel, meaning, I feel this will be a challenging path for him. I'll be very
correct.
glad.
No, so the one more thing, I'm there to support him as well from my side. But only thing is, unless you give me the details of how to catch up, and if there is any plan, like hey, if you go this way, you can easily catch up in next couple of months or something like that. So technically, yeah, I'm there to support him as well on that. Only thing is, with your help and with your guidance, I can support him to get into that level.
Okay, I see, I see. Then let Jeevanashri come into this class now. For him, take a 1 month or 2 months time. May, June. See, May is free. He doesn't have to come in May. You can work with him. I'll tell you what to work on, and he can come back in June. Does that work?
Mm, yeah.
Or,
So no,
or
but
the
yeah.
other
Okay.
option is he can come into a class where I deal with this advanced fifth grade.
Okay.
He will learn the fifth grade syllabus through the year. He will not be pushed into sixth grade.
No,
You
but
s
throughout the year he is going to be behind, right? So,
it's not.
like,
No, no, no. Wait. Uh-huh. This one is very accelerated. Kids are going to skip their sixth grade in school. Is that what you want?
oh, they're going to skip their
Ah,
sixth
they're
grade
going to
means.
skip. Yeah, they're going to skip their sixth grade in the sense next year these fifth grade kids will be studying both this. Okay, this is in 2025, 26, 27. Okay, and in 2027, 28, they'll be studying seventh grade. You see what I mean?
No, I understand, but only thing is, can this? I mean, you talking about from the school academic perspective or just from maths perspective?
Just from math perspective, they will be going with the seventh graders to take math classes.
I understand. So this is from your end, right? Not from the school perspective. From the
No,
school,
from the
they follow
school
the curriculum
perspective.
and
From the school perspective, I'll tell you what happens here. If you take this class, this is my very advanced fourth grade class, you see. If you take this class next year, right, he will get into the advanced fifth grade. This is in 2026-27. Okay. After he finishes this in 2027-28, he will get into advanced sixth grade.
okay. So the one that you talked about, ma'am, the accelerated one for the fifth grader. So now you are saying like he has to do he has to catch up quick and he will get into the second one, right? You are saying 2028 one. So there is a little confusion from my end in understanding
No,
this.
no, no. Maybe I did not explain it correctly. I'll also help you. What is this? This is the very accelerated path. Okay.
Okay.
This is the advanced path. Now, tell me where did you not understand? I'll help you.
Oh, okay. Now I understood. So very accelerated one, the one that currently you have the fifth grader students. So yeah, I understood
Currently,
now.
I have the kids that are doing fourth grade. They will enter into the very accelerated fifth grade class.
Got you.
When they enter into the very accelerated fifth grade class, I'll be covering fifth and sixth together.
Okay.
They will skip their 6th grade math, go into 7th grade math the year after next.
Got you. Yeah, I'm so I think I want to try that. The fifth and sixth grade one, the first one you talked about, I wanted to try that. So with your inputs and with your guidance, I can help him, and that would be better, man.
You have come from India, right? That's what you said,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Oh, I see. See, okay.
No, no,
Usually,
he was born and like brought up here, Mohit.
and then
So
you went and came back?
no, no,
Oh, you are
we're all the
here
time
only.
here. Exactly.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Based on what I talked to him, this path will be definitely hard for him unless you work with him as well.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm there. I'm there. I can support him. I can spend time.
Okay.
So the reason is I don't want him to start at a slow phase and to catch up there, since you don't have that kind of a model wherein to fit in within months, right? So it's kind of a year behind kind of a thing. I would feel like, yeah, let's put him into the very advanced side of it, and any basics that are needed from the if you can help us like with a one initial class or two classes and let me know what are the things to take care, I can definitely take it up. So that way, like he can cope up with this very advanced one, and he will continue doing it. So only thing is the focus is needed. I'll make sure that he will focus on it.
Okay. Okay. So let's do one thing. I have to see what I'm doing with them. Hold on. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Grade 4. Because grade 4 classwork. Yeah, see, these kids to an extent can work with I don't know. Let's see how to get them up to speed. Mm. Okay, I can show you examples. Okay, this is the challenge I have with him. If it's a challenge, I'll be very blunt with you. I told you already because I don't want the kid to suffer or me to suffer later on. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh wow, what is that? Huh? போகணும்ப்பா after this போகிறேன் அவட்ட பிங் பண்ணுவேன். See, these are the problems they can work. That will be challenging, I feel. These are the problems we are working with them. If 0.15 of a number is 33, what is the number? So the basic fraction, decimal, percent conversion, those kids know a little bit. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. Okay.
But the 4th grade level is not that level. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
4th grade, they know whatever has been taught in school, Mohit is great with it.
Mm.
But if I bring him to this class, he'll be thrown to the ocean. You see what I mean? So I don't want the kid to suffer or anybody to suffer in this. I want everybody to be happy and keep moving.
Mm.
That being the case, right? More I see, right? I'll show you more. Okay, this class is doing these. There was, see, these are number, this one, see. So the word problems, they'll be able to handle these. I'm not saying they'll be 100%, but at least 50% of this they'll be able to do. 5/8 of somebody's grades have been A's. If he made A's on 45 assignments, how many assignments did he not make an A? That will be difficult for an incoming 5th grader.
Okay.
The problems are a little twisted, you see.
Yeah.
So, let me think about Mohit and tell you. Is that okay? Or he can come to a class and check it out. I can show you the books that we do. You can work with him at home to speed up as well.
Sure. Yeah, that's what. Let's try out this month, ma'am, if you're okay. And
Yeah,
anyway, you said June month is the one where
we are
the
starting.
advanced one is going to start, right?
Correct, correct,
Let's
correct.
see this month. Let's work. So work both of us with him and
Ah,
see if that is going to work it out, and we can continue him, or else we can think to switch him to that advanced level.
I am with you on that. Okay, but I
Okay. Cool.
want you to have that heads up. It's not like
Sure.
we are doing it, but you, with your daughter, it will be seamless.
Yeah.
She will
Okay.
just fit into that class and we'll continue with algebra 1 with her.
Sure. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
in case
And
if she is doing faster and if she is going
yeah,
fast
yeah,
pace,
yeah. I
so
want to talk to, no, I want to talk to you on that. If she wants a faster pace, she has to come for the geometry classes.
okay.
Geometry classes, if she comes in from June, right?
Mm.
That is not related to algebra 1 at all, but there are three topics that I will tell her to go through and come. But those topics, she seemed to have some concepts, basic concepts she's really knowing. So for her, catching up will be only those three topics. Since she is in algebra 1 geometry level, I'm saying
Okay.
geometry, if she comes for the geometry classes as well, then she can accelerate or write the geometry exam March of next year. She
Got
will
you.
be doing
Okay.
algebra. She will be doing algebra the following year, the coming year. But in parallel, since she studies geometry, but she has to do the homework properly. Meaning, I feel
Oh,
like she's very
she's
dedicated.
very much
Yeah, she's very
interested.
dedicated.
Yeah.
I can see her.
Yeah. Yeah.
So for her, if she can do that in parallel, she will be fine. She'll be fine means she will pass the exam and she can directly go to algebra 2.
Okay.
Okay, that is possible with your daughter. For your son, I feel like I would definitely need your hand holding.
Yep. Sure.
Because it is like throwing, it is not that he is not, but the way the class is structured is the kids already know, and when he comes in, he will feel very suffocated. I don't want that. You see, unless we handhold him, he will find it tough.
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you. And I'm going to spend time for sure until
Mm.
he picks up and you say that okay, hey, he's doing good now. So what I'm trying to explain is that I'm there to support him. We'll try out this month, as you said, and if it doesn't work out, any material or something
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can
yeah. I
suggest me
want to.
to
I
get
want
it.
to. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I want to show you this. You are going to buy, meaning whether I finish this with him or not, if you can finish it with him, it helps me a lot.
But the thing is the it should not change the style of teaching, right? So that's where I wanted to learn, or the way you like you go with ma'am. So that helps me a lot. Otherwise, so if there are different ways of teaching, that creates a problem. So
Mm,
that's the only problem I'm seeing with him now, like with eye level and also with the school. So he's getting confused sometimes too. But he's good at learning. But only thing is sometimes, yeah, these kind of problems should not happen. So but anyway, so we can start off. And is there any recording that you do, ma'am, every time?
I do, but it's a little tricky to catch up with the old recordings. You see what I mean? Huh? Meaning every week it will be sent to the Google Classroom. Okay, we
Okay.
have done all these changes recently.
Mm.
So the older ones you'll have to look at the days and dates in YouTube, and it is really hard. You see what I mean? At this point today, it is very hard to go back.
Okay.
Um, and it's too much of work for me to go back, send you the dates and the recording
I
link. All
know.
that is very hard. So,
Yeah.
but everything is there. You see what yeah, it's not like I can't get it, but it's a lot of work. That's what I am seeing. If I want to go by week.
Is there anything you can send me the links? I can go through that, and if you can let me know just very high level that hey, this is what you can do, and I can search and I can get. See, technically, if I go through that, at least I understand the flow, the way you teach, right? At least I can try to follow that too. Whenever he has any challenge in getting anything right, so I can help him, and I wanted to go with the same phase as you do it. I mean, like at least from the problem solving perspective, so that he doesn't feel like. These two are two different things, and so technically, like, we have ways to teach and get him up to speed, but I don't want to go in my way or any other way. I just wanted to go in your way so that he will pick it up, only the concepts that you are looking for him to get up to speed.
Yeah, meaning, why don't I call you back in the afternoon? Let me think a little bit about him. Can I call you back? I'll
Sure, that
also.
that would be great, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, and one another thing for are you comfortable with doing grade 5 next year? Grade 5, advanced grade 5 next year?
Mm.
Or are you particular to do the acceleration?
So the thing is, for him, if you go with a slow phase, he's getting more of enjoyment side of it. That's what I wanted to force him to spend more effort in this. If he has some kind of a work or all the time, if it is accelerated, he will feel some initially some kind of a challenge, and that's where he will get that interest. And once we start motivating, and if he gets into that, right, so then technically he will focus on the studies. Is what my understanding was. Again, if you go with a like advanced, and if that feels like again very much simpler for him, he does very quick. That's what I'm seeing with school also. From the eye level side of it, he finishes everything in 10 minutes and he feels he knows everything.
Okay, let me think about it and come back for
That's
him.
the only thing I want him to get. Yeah, sure, thank you, ma'am. And what about for my cousin kids? Can Are you taking today or?
Let me not take that today. Okay, I already want to go out. So for
Okay,
Vindhya Shri, what do you want me to do?
you said right, she doesn't need any class, but you can join her directly, right?
In June, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, because that's the starting point. I don't have a problem at all. Okay.
correct.
For your cousin's daughters, would Tuesday work for them to see?
Yep, yep, it works for them too. What time?
Yeah, but before we log off, I want to give some topics to you, as I said. Would you mind just holding on? What
Sure.
time? Evening, before before 6:30 your time. Can I message a little bit on Tuesday morning?
Tuesday morning, you're going to message me,
Sorry.
but the
Yeah, Tuesday morning I'm going to message you. Tuesday evening before 6:30, would it work?
yeah, it
Or
it should
even
work, right? For the
yeah, we can do 7:30 as well.
okay. So is it okay for them, for Kunshita and Rishita, for evening Tuesday? On Tuesdays, she has on Tuesdays. Okay, so what I'm going to do it, ma'am. I'm going to give you a number to his their dad,
Sure.
and he is going to contact you. But technically, I will pass this information to him, saying that you have a slot available on Tuesday after 6 p.m. Central Time, right?
6 p.m. Central Time, correct.
Okay, before 7:30.
Ilima, we will do, see, your time 7:30 also works best.
Okay, got it. Okay, so then I'm going to pass it to him, that information. I'll ask him to confirm with you.
Sure. Yeah,
Okay,
we will
but
do that.
I'm sure that 7:30 would work for them. But I'll just tell him that to accept that 7:30 in case of any challenges there,
Sure,
or
but
if it
if they
doesn't
are
work
into,
out for him.
yeah, if they are into any classes, let me know. They might have
Sure.
classes as well, right?
I think there is one piano class she goes at 6 o'clock. Okay, I think
Oh,
she should be finished by 7:30 Central Time.
yeah, 7:30 would work for me too.
Okay, cool. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, and for your son, right, I really want to give you. Um, hmm, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, the kids that I teach, right, they know multiplying fractions well. Okay,
Hmm.
multiplying fractions, those are the issues I'm seeing this
He
boy.
knows, right? Yeah.
Multiplying fractions, he does not know.
No, but I can help him on that, ma'am. He's
Okay.
he's good at he's good at multiplication for sure. So
Yeah,
only
yeah, yeah.
fractions I can help him. So if one or two examples, if I can teach him and give more similar ones for the practice, if he does that, he'll be there. So, but only thing is the way, the complexity that you help with respect to the problems. I mean, to catch up there, that may take time. But from the multiplication perspective, I can bring him up to speed quickly on the fractions too.
Yeah, but okay, yeah. Let me think and just call you to update you
Sure,
what I need. Okay.
that's fine. Thank you, ma'am. That
Yeah, I
helps.
did. Yeah, I do understand what he needs, but I think we are still not in sync. The way you're saying and I'm saying, it is not just multiplication of fractions or multiplication of this. It's a little more. When he's given word problems, he should be able to handle.
I
That
know.
part of it.
I'm with you. That's what I was even trying to explain. But just from the multiplication perspective, he's good at. But
Yeah,
the
yeah.
rest of the things, yeah, he can easily pick up as well. But from the problem perspective, yeah, he is not there. I'm with you.
Yeah, we'll see. I'll think about and put some document and send it to you.
Sure. Okay, cool.
For him, for
Thank
your
you.
daughter, I don't
Yeah.
have a
So
problem.
so
We
when are you going to start for my daughter? Is it from June or right away?
daughter geometry will definitely be from June. Don't join now. There's no point.
Okay.
For
Okay.
algebra one, she can start.
Okay. Yeah. So when is the next class she can join?
That class right now I'm not going to separate from June, but the timings will change because I'm going to split the group.
Correct. From the geometry perspective, I'm clear on it. You said
Wait,
like
wait, wait,
the
wait. No, no,
yeah.
no. Thing is, no, I think there as well, I have not been clear. The current seventh, eighth graders, whatever she has done, right? That kids, right? That group of kids will go to Algebra 1, right?
Correct.
We are just starting Algebra 1 now.
Okay.
She can come in.
Okay.
And we can continue in June Algebra 1.
Mm.
You got it. Algebra 1
Yeah.
will continue through the next year too. It
Okay.
is not a 1 month business, it is a 1 year business.
1 year
Algebra
classes.
1.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Uh, if she wants to accelerate, is when she has to go to geometry in June.
Got it. Are you okay with that? So you'll be doing two.
If she doesn't want
Algebra
to,
and
don't
geometry.
force her at all.
Okay, first do one thing. First do one thing. Start algebra. And if you feel comfortable and you can take more, then definitely we can think about geometry.
So,
Are you okay with that, ma'am?
yeah, I am okay with anything. I don't want
Good.
any kid to do 2 classes unless they are
Exactly.
comfortable.
Exactly. That's what. Let her first. We'll start off this the one that
First,
you're talking
whether
about.
the teacher student chemistry is working, we can see with
Exactly.
starting. Yeah.
Okay.
Then, if she feels comfortable in 4 more weeks, she can join or she need not join. Left to
That
her.
makes sense. That makes sense. We can take the decision later. So let's start off with algebra, as you said.
Yes.
And when is the class? Like, is if something is ongoing
Tuesday.
and she can Tuesday,
Tuesday, she can join at 6:30.
6:30. Okay, you are okay with that, right? 6:30 p.m. Central. Okay, she is okay, ma'am.
Last week, I did get started with solving equations. She is
Okay.
good with that. I
Okay.
verified. She's already
Okay.
good with that. So she can
Awesome.
catch up with a review and then be in the class.
Got you, man. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Tomorrow,
so the similar way for Mohit also, you can get started and you will see wherever he fits in, you can start off and then probably 1 year here and go. That's fine. But at least from the next year onwards, you know the kids better, right? And once you get
I
the
don't
comfort.
mind. I don't mind doing that. He can come definitely on Mondays at 6 o'clock CT.
Okay, 6 o'clock CT Monday. Okay, I'll.
Same Zoom.
But Monday you have what time you have the eye level? Eye level we have till end of this
Finish
month.
it.
5:45 we have. I think he cannot make it on
Don't
Monday.
worry. Don't worry. Then let's do
Okay.
it in June. I'll help you with
Yeah.
the topics. We'll do that way.
Cool. Okay.
I
That's
don't
fine,
have
man.
a problem at all. Okay. Unless the kid is comfortable coming, I don't want them to take stress.
Got you. Okay. Fine.
Okay,
No
we'll do
worries.
that, but I'll help you with the topics. What else you can equip him in May?
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. You
Whenever
said you are
you're
going to
done, you
send me,
can
right?
join.
Okay.
As and when he is done. There's no hurry, there's no pressure.
For me,
I
as
hear
soon
you.
as possible,
I
if
hear
you
you.
started for him, that is
It
better.
will be easy.
So yeah, he's for him. Like I don't want him to give any much free time where he can focus on all the time playing. So that's the problem with me. I need some work assignments for him so that I can help him. So
Yeah,
if there is a
I'll help
pattern of
you with that. I'll help you
yeah,
with the extras. So go
sure,
ahead and do that. I'll show you to a couple of books you can buy and do as well.
cool. That would
Okay,
be
I'll give
great.
you the
Yeah.
100 word problems he has to work with.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
let him do that in this month and he can join next month. After you
Sure.
finish
Okay.
the whatever you have to pending, right? Finish that and then
Yeah.
you can join.
Okay. Cool. Okay.
Yeah, but for your daughter, she will join on Tuesdays at 6:30 CT.
Okay. Cool. That helps.
Okay, same Zoom. Let her
Sure.
come. First, let her attend one class, and then I'll send you the the registration form.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Yeah.
And for Mohit, you're going to connect with me again, right? On this, how we are going. Okay, cool.
After 4 weeks,
Sure.
yeah, I'm
After
going to
after today,
no,
after some time.
in WhatsApp I'll send. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye
Bye.
bye.